Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
And now, welcome to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Top of the morning to you, Jamaica. Top of the morning to you. Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the Real Jamaican Talk Show with me, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all massive and enough respect to the Most High. Big respect to the Creator and thing who's making all this possible. Enough respect to all of my God people, all of my church people, East Queen Street Baptist Church. Blessings and respect to them. All revival people, large up, all of my traditional folk farms people, enough respect saying, no, everybody who work for the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, who are protect the thing out there, large up on the flex, man, every time Ragashanti says up. Blessings to all of my country people, who are all the culture, who are all those indigenous, those unique, those things uniquely Jamaican. Uno protect them thing there, uno make them thing there, uno practice them every day. We can look on something distinct and say that is Jamaica. Big up all of my country people, because I don't know some rate, Mile Gully St. Mary every time, man, Ragashanti says, so I don't know some not left out. I'm a move my country, can't left out, see? Big up all St. Mary massive, yeah? Anybody from Trelawney, anybody from St. James, anywhere in St. James, Montego Bay massive line up, man, see? What we supposed to go Montego Bay? I went Johnson. Alfred Johnson, I went to Montego Bay. Was it the 20th we go Montego Bay? We have an OB. The 20th is a Thursday, the next week Thursday. Next week Thursday is the 20th. I think that we were supposed to be in Montego. Supposed to. I probably jumping the gun here. I don't know. But big up Moby saying, and big up all of my Hanover Massive, and big up Ed's father. Where Ed's father name again? Ed's, where your papa name? Ed's, where your papa name? I said it there. I mean, I'm moon for some tea this morning. Miss Eddie! Miss Eddie! You see her from man? Okay. But, where your father name again? Hugh Johnson. Big up Hugh Johnson, real man over there in Hanover. Enough respect to Hugh Johnson and thing. We must talk to Ed's father, for years. Were you a good behaving child when you grew up, Ed? What do you mean, of course? You're an angel? The only angel around here is me. Right? If you are an angel, you must fall in the angel. Well, different from falling in the bounty killer effort. We won't get in that part. But you're good though.
Today I'm birthday too.
Today your father's birthday.
Don't check your email.
Hold on. No, I get one text, man. I see text, Today your father's birthday. But today your sister P birthday too. So your father and sister P have the same birthday. Well, your father is a Sagittarius. So you did listen to the show what they hear them say about Sagittarius people?
No, I mean never did that. Are good people them though?
Alright, we not disrespect your father, We not, no man, good people them.
Only the sign.
No, we not disrespect your father. But see Reggie there, a man call and him say study do a France. You remember Reggie? He there. You remember that one there? You laugh now. We say December Sagittarius people are the most oversexed people, like, whatever. Your father's supposed to have dead with laugh. Well,
I guess it's 7.
but hold on, what is interesting about that too? My God, you remember when was Bruce's birthday? No, the 5th of Bruce's birthday, Reggie. The 5th. When was local government election? I think I see him there was Bruce Gold. So Bruce Gold, remember Portia Simpson and Bruce Golding, you know. This is interesting. Hold on, get heads now, man. Sit down here. Come, don't run. Get it. Reggie, you open your microphone. My God, this is a matter of national importance. You know. What me I say? Reggie, you take your microphone now. Sometimes I say the truth is stranger than fiction, you know. So follow me now. This man I call what day? Him say study do of France where say Sagittarius people, December people them. Love sex more than anybody else, right? We know that Bruce Golding and Portia Simpson Miller come from the same parish. Not only the same parish, then come just look a bit down the road from one another. Did you know that?
No.
Edgy, you never know that?
No, sir.
Bruce and Portia come from neighboring communities. And thing, right? So them near to one, you know. All right. St. Catherine, neighboring communities. Bruce born December 5th. And today what date?
The 12th.
December 12th.
Yeah.
Two of them are Sagittarius. Now, if how you are socialized defines who you are, and if some people say it's when you're born defines who you are, then probably Bruce and Portia is more alike than they are different, and we're being tricked all this time, don't it? No. No, what want to think? No, why your food up in there, what you say about that answer? It's not dead. All right, why answer recuperate and laugh and think, right? Hey, Reggie, give me your opinion about the matter.
You assume that I have an opinion right now.
No, but what you think? What you think?
So you're saying it don't matter who win, right?
No, I'm saying that there could be some sophisticated generalship going on right here. Who know if Bruce and Portia have a little pact? What them sign for and then lick a bit and play Dandishan. Well, no, we don't want to say the driver did play Dandishan. No. Driver don't play Dandishan. Dolly House. My God, what if Bruce and Portia used to play Dolly House? No, what if them have like a deep secret? Bruce, don't tell them the time when we and they play Mama and Papa.
And Miss P is the mother, right?
Yeah, and Bruce the father. Remember now, two of them are Sagittarius. So it quite...
Who's older?
Yeah?
Who's older?
I think Sister P is older.
Sister P, yeah, man.
So Bruce would be the son.
No. He's not that much older.
Okay.
And Bruce looked like a man who wouldn't have any qualms about going with an older woman. I'm just saying, we're not careful now, we're not disrespecting. We're just speculating here that given these seeming coincidences and things, you understand?
Right.
It's quite possible that Bruce Gold and Portia Simpson used to play Dolly House together. Two Sagittarius and thing. And whatever. No, Reggie, what you think? This is uncanny.
You don't say I don't the whole sign thing already. But what it speaks to is similar background, go up close to each other.
Same sign,
find them seemingly take different routes, but kind of end up in the same place in life, you know, like leadership positions and vying for trust of the country. So maybe it speaks to that. I don't know nothing about the sign thing on it.
Alright, but what I'm saying is, just think, I wish we had like a smart mathematician here to try and work out the probability, statistically, what's the probability that two people
that would be interesting
from neighboring communities in the same parish, born in the same parish, not only in the same parish, but them far apart, neighboring communities pretty much, that would grow up to become, both of them become prime ministers of the...
Exactly.
That is like unheard of. That is unheard of.
What was Sister P's background? She had a family that was into politics, and because Bruce would have had that type of...
Bruce had that
experience and
exposure.
Exposure then.
We're not getting it, you know, but the word is where people gently talk about, well, some people not so gently, is that Sister P had a very... They might be from neighboring communities, but let me say it, when I don't say it. The argument where they make is that, how do you put this? Well, that Sister P's circumstances were significantly more humble than those of Bruce.
Understood.
You know what? You understand what I say? Okay, so it's not like they were coming from equal socio-economic
and that's what I think is interesting about him.
I think that makes it even more interesting.
Yeah, that make it interesting.
That make it more interesting and thing like that. But this thing just dawned on me that Bruce and Portia could have played Dolly House together and thing and what, you know. No, what? Okay, what if you found out that they actually used to play together? What do you think now? Well, we're going to ask the Prime Minister and the leader of the opposition. Happy birthday, Sister P. Now watch nothing, Sister P. Me see a shop a sovereign what day and you're full black and you're gone. And you know for walking on your heels them. Cause enough woman out there can't walk in a heel, Sister P, and you work it. Cool now. And the bodyguard them if you try to keep up with the Sister P at 60 odd, but me tell her you're gone. See now watch nothing. And you know for work, you know if you have to push a trolley to by yourself and all them something. Big up Sister P. A real competent woman who know if you do her thing, go shop and all day, they compare sausages and, well, other things too, and so forth, and things like that. So, enough respect to Sister P. Happy birthday to you! Go you! But, what we are saying now, if them used to play together, if they interacted at any point, even at a local sports day or something, I think the country should know, don't it? The country should know.
Definitely.
Because this might be like a really clever St. Catherine conspiracy to ensure that them have them own leaders and all them things, you know. You know, in a foreign with the Skull and Bones fraternity, that George Bush private organization where John Kerry did and them set up for control power, you know. St. Catherine could have into something what we don't even know about. You understand? And thing. So your father said, so what you know, be very careful now, Etika, you're about to talk about your father. What you think about what this gentleman call and say them do study in France, say you know, all Sagittarius people, them just love the thing more than everybody else. Given what you know about your father, what you have to say about the matter now?
Well, he was very cautious. He stopped at 7.
He stopped. What the Tambourine there? What the Tambourine? Wait, where your father here again?
Hugh Johnson.
Hugh, big up Hugh Johnson. HJ, man, stop at 7. No, you may laugh, you know, but you don't know where I laugh. You hear the number where him stop? My God, the 7. Here goes the 7. Whatever. All right, guys, so him stop at 7. And you said that's very cautious. So where you from?
I mean, in what the man said, he stopped at 7.
Well, 7 is not necessarily an indicator of how much a person might like a certain activity.
Okay.
I'm just, you don't have to tell your father business, but your father is a healthy man.
Yes.
Very healthy man.
Very healthy.
Does he know that he's a healthy man?
Yes.
Okay. He's a healthy man. And he believes in, your father believes in exercise, you think? Keep himself like. You know?
Well, he works a lot, so.
Okay.
Yeah, it keeps him going.
Hugh Johnson, what community in Hanover is this?
You from Hopewell, Hanover.
Hopewell, Hanover.
Yes.
Remember we did an outside broadcast there? Remember one time we did an outside broadcast there? You
In
remember?
Hopewell?
Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't there.
It wasn't there. Oh, no. You never did that.
It was oversaw.
It was over when we oversaw. You're
Right.
right. Hopewell, Hanover, Hugh Johnson.
Mm-hmm.
Right. What the road name anyway? We usually don't do this, but we just want to know your. So we want people.
Camp District, yeah.
Camp District.
Yeah.
Okay. Hanover people in Hopewell, Hanover, go up to Camp District, ask for Hugh Johnson, the man who born December, who them say has a healthy appetite for the thing, who happens to be the father of our senior technical operator, Edson Johnson. Go up there and tell him, happy birthday. Okay. Hello, Miss Eddie, how are you?
At your service.
Don't say at your service and thing. What you do coming about at your service and thing? Oh, you do come here, make I say. Why, Miss Eddie, you know when I rude, you know, and thing, but you don't know you're mother for the whole away, but you're hot girl too, you know. Because say you used to go on when you're young, you know. Don't even say it. Leave people bit. What you do? I can't act shy. Watch out. Me say you're shy. Watch out. Me say nobody go on like you shy because you're more light up in that place, you know, when you're ready, you're pepper away. When we make up me to her yesterday, Edson.
Brother, load her up.
Load her up,
Yeah,
what him say?
Big up, me said he. Me said he hide and. So we're just waiting for the ground to open up and take her in.
Yes, anytime when the pass the station, I meet you out there is Miss Eddie Tree. When she eat her food with surgical precision. You ever see Miss Eddie eat her food and I tree a sample, you know? She open the box, she gently cut a little piece of the chicken, daintily places it in her oral cavity, closes back the box, and then she chews gently. It's like, why Miss Eddie, the way you eat it must take you 3 hours for done one plate of food. I think.
Meditate.
Because you eat and I meditate. I think. But you know, hey, anybody me work with, you know. People have to know them, you know. People have to know always. So what kind of tea they in the morning, you know, Miss Eddie?
Anyone you want. Cersei, ginger, mint.
Cersei, ginger, mint. I go and work with the mint, you know. But I want it hot here. I want it hot. Bruce no come from St. Catherine in Barna, Chapelton, Clarendon. Hold on, but where the community, what them say? Oh, you mean? Then, but not that's how him grow. I grew him grow at St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Or in Barna, Chapelton, you see it, right? Information is in Barna, Chapelton, Clarendon, but him grew up in the community near to Sister P.
Could be. Because
You're right.
his father was a teacher somewhere.
Bruce's father was a teacher.
Yeah, Statius Golding.
What?
I think his name is Statius Golding.
It's not Statius.
Is what?
It would be Eustachius.
Oh.
No, it's T-A-U.
Is what?
I.
It's just the S alone. I don't know. I know
T-A-I-U-S.
I know a man name is EU.
No.
Stacious.
T-A-I-U-S, something like that.
Oh, Statius. Just
Statius.
okay, yeah, that's correct. It wouldn't be Statius because from a Statius it's feminine. But even if in Barna, Chapelton, Clarendon, and come at St. Catherine, there's still a distinct possibility so Bruce Golding and Sister P play Dolly House together. What you think, Sister? What you think, Miss Eddie? Eh? Miss Eddie, what you think? You don't think Bruce Golding?
Politics.
Eh?
Politics.
Them people, enough people love me. Let me tell you something. We have to be careful in this country because any country where somebody can call, I don't know, Reggie, if you remember this, and tell you, say, they are convinced. Ed, see, you probably never did that listen to the man call one day and say, Raga. Him notice, say, the people who have fixed the pothole, them. You did hear that day, there? Say, them only have fixed the pothole, will make 6 JLP win. I said you never hear that, did it? Which prompted me to ask the gentleman, you seem to be suggesting that Jamaica right now is in possession of PNP patrol and JLP patrol. And the man say, yes. No. Any country where you can have people believing you have 2-party PNP and JLP and they believe they have PNP patrol and JLP patrol, is a country for you to be very careful. I know. Parental Charles must be like, oh God, I hope he doesn't go there. I hope he doesn't go there because I may just have to grade the other side of my head today. I hope he doesn't go over there. We're not going there, particularly because it's even Sister P's birthday. We're not go over there. But I'm saying, any country where you have somebody cannot tell you, say you have PNP patrol and JLP patrol, the two major political parties, it's a country for you to be careful, don't you think so? But given so, we are also very privileged that, you know, we're not in a situation where Chavez wants to silence the media and so forth. And not care. Me give good, we're good, you know. All of them politicians, them have some good thing about them and some unpleasant thing about them, right? So, one of the things that we rate, big up PJ parties out there with the whole of the money and not easy and thing. But one thing we have to say about him, he expand the media and not care how much cussing go on and thing. Look how much radio station we have and whatever. And people like me can dip on the radio, attack all kind of fandangles and people say, Ragashanti, man, you know I'm mad and thing. If it was Chavez, we could careful.
You wear white female everywhere you go, you hear people.
No, but if it was another country, that wouldn't be. So we're very grateful in this country. We have a lot to be thankful for. We're lucky. So what I say, big up to PG again. See, can stay proper out there.
You grew up in St. Catherine Hills too, you know.
PJ grew up in a St. Catherine. But is Westmoreland PJ come from?
In Bandung and Russell Road.
Russell Road, PJ Band?
Bandung and Russell Road.
So how PJ tell people say Westmoreland and come from?
I know your history and then you was taken to Westmoreland.
So a town PJ Band. And then it can't go where?
Hanover.
Hold on. See you going to Hanover then now and a Westmoreland. And can't go Hanover.
I aunt was somewhere there.
And what?
I was born in Hanover. It was born at
Russell Road. Then can't go Hanover.
Hanover.
We're going to get a bath or something.
No, maybe he did live over there with some.
With somebody, auntie.
And then, so
And then drop a Westmoreland. And someone end up back at St. Catherine.
come at St. Catherine sometime.
Him did a move nothing. Yeah. You know what? But okay, so that's a theme. So him did over St. Cat. You see the St. Catherine link again. All them leaders, they have some connection with St. Catherine, you know. Something in a something. Something in a something. Anyway, me said it. Enough respect here. But it's where the pan for the rest idea, you know. My youth.
Couple of recordings
Yo,
well.
people, Jamaica, when he take Etsy in there, and things that get done right, and we are Etsy that cuss, and Etsy that dab we up in there, I think, no, you act like say you're shy. I think, what you going to do for the rest of the day? Well,
I have a couple of recordings to do.
a recording to do. Yeah, I have some features coming up where we're going to kick
Right.
off next year.
Definitely.
And I really want to do some intro and outro for them and things. So, you know, you're the real big man for that. And we have to line that up. And probably all in a week there. After next week, we'll take a break. Probably in another week.
Maybe in there, right?
I don't know. I probably may work that week there, you know. Just for
Okay.
the fun night, you know. Just, you know.
Oh, yeah, Christmas Day too?
No Christmas Day. I have a life, thank you. I have a family. I'm going over my cousin on Christmas Day. The family is going over my cousin
Well, I hope to go to Hopewell.
in Spanish Town. You go Hopewell for
Yeah,
Christmas?
hopefully, yeah.
Okay. What do you mean hopefully you're going to Hopewell?
You know the work.
Oh yeah, 'cause Stephanie said she had work Christmas Day. I saw a radio thing going on. And thing. Reggie, where you at do Christmas Day?
I got there.
Classic Reggie, you know. You know, really. You go there, you work at Christmas Day? Oh boy, and people see or not, people don't even know how much, you know, all this thing are demanding and so forth, and you have to go give up your Christmas. Well, not all of your Christmas.
Not all of it.
Yeah, but you know, if you do a little work and thing. Well, on behalf of the people out there who appreciate all the work that both of you are doing to make a program like this possible and thing, I want to say a huge thank you and thing, and you know. And we just want to make another appeal to Anthony Abrams that given the hard work that we're doing. More money. I start Macadamia up Anthony Abrams. Money, yo! Anthony, and in case people don't know, Anthony Abrams, former Minister of Government, Anthony is the, we shouldn't say owner, because the University of West Indies owns 51%. Hey, really? No? But then the government owns the University of West Indies, really? Yeah. And then Anthony Abrams is the manager of the station, the boss, the real boss.
big man,
Him
yeah.
are the real driver for over Yasso. Right? So any money talk, we talk to Anthony and we talk to Wayne. Wayne him not like when you call up him name. Good morning, Wayne. Our Chief Financial Officer, CFO, who has taken on additional tasks, you know, the man that work hard and think. Good morning, Wayne.
True Wayne, true.
True, Wayne. Wayne, you're the real man around here. Don't make nobody trouble you. Okay, we defend you because you control the money. All right, just, you know, give us some more. They must be like, this boy is a terror. Anyway, so you say you have recordings and thing and corner later and Wally thing and Wally thing.
Wally.
All right, then, big respect here.
Yeah.
All right. Well on there. I just want to say thanks. Listen, we don't give free advertisements, you know, but sometimes when something good, it good. And I want to tell you again, people, that this thing I name Clariflu. I use Theraflu sometime too, and thing, but a pharmacist recommended Clariflu, and people, it worked. Trust me. Them say the liquid thing they work better than the tablet thing, but these are tablets, something will work. And I'm recommending them because I tell you the flu did whap me up bad. And this Clariflu thing I want to take care. It works. Clariflu. Clariflu. So big up to Clariflu people. I'm not care nobody want to say. And thing. Anyway, all right, we're going to break away. Go back to our topic of the week. A beer excitement and thing, you know. Big up all of the crew them pan can. Shen! Ronick! No, Shen in our exam right now. Ronick! What you say? Big up man, think be a massive Ranik, Niki. All massive and crew, large apart. There be things that are going on right now without apology. Who not like it, go about to the business. Who like it, stay true. Sister P, what we say? Happy birthday. Well, I break us soon forward.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing. The real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all massive and crew. Once enough respect to Rote, who was there recuperating from dengue fever. You know what Ruthie called about a while ago. Almost upset me that I make her work Christmas week. She was a loser head. Don't worry, Ruthie, if I work Christmas week, you won't have to week. You will still get your week off, I'll ensure. And things, eh? But everything is everything. But it would be nice to entertain the people during that week, can't it? I think I might still open, you know. I don't know. Check if them. All right. Okay, here we go. All right. So I don't know the issue of the week. However, can you believe it? I could do it. People are waiting on the line. People on the line. How many? Well, them full already. Oh, God. You know, I could just bring in the people. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Well, I could just tell the people the issue for the week is it the case that some woman deserve a beating based on how them behave when them take a next woman, man? Right? Straight ghetto thing. Eh? What that? Okay. I remember I said today is the day that we ask our regular callers to give some new callers a chance. And this has been working quite well, actually. You notice that every Wednesday we get a barrage of new callers and people are happy and things like that. So the thing set up, cooperation is there. And here comes my minty. Thank you, Miss Eddie. Okay. We still need darker sugar, but we'll work with those. All right. Here we go. So, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Raga Wagwan.
Why am I not there Wagwan with you?
Me all right.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Me not fight no woman no man because me no see that the man there in no barn yet. And him mama dead. And good better best out there.
And good bet. The man where you for fight over no barn yet?
Yes.
And him mama dead. And good better best out there. All right, baby. So what you think? You hear about woman a fight over man out the road?
Walipa time.
Walipa time you hear it a go on?
Yes.
But what you think about that right now?
Then they are foolish, you see.
Then some woman a listen to you and say you can't go and talk. If them never fight for them man, woman would have contact him where and them would have lose this and lose that and them life would have way more miserable and depressing than it is right now.
That's what them believe.
Yep, no, them will tell you that.
Okay.
Them will make the argument there. Them will say, yes, it's stressful for fight, but the alternative of losing the man and everything will come with the man is worse. What do you think about that?
No, son, I know that.
You know that?
No.
All right, you know. Where you call from again?
Clarendon.
Wait, who this? Your voice sound. Here's your call from?
Yes.
All right, we pick up your voice at time, man.
Yeah.
All right, but you're good, though.
Yeah, man.
All right, you take care.
Right, take
Don't
care.
worry, I'm still going to play Punchy phone here. Me not forget. No, man, I play Punchy.
One of my friend.
Yeah, don't worry. Before the week done, I play Punchy.
Yeah, man, all right.
Before the week done, I go play Punchy. Yeah?
Yes, all right.
You take care, Putus. You take
Yes.
care. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello. Who is our dead dear?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Wagwan Raga.
There, King.
Well, me just want this man. I was listening to your program and I hear you was bigging up the most honorable Portia Simpson Miller.
Uh-huh.
That's her birthday today.
Uh-huh.
And I just wanted to add to that.
All right.
That we wish her a happy birthday and many more to come.
Right.
And we Jamaican, we love her. This is coming from Keith.
Okay.
This is one of our security, Keith.
One of our security?
Right.
When is this?
Not a police officer.
Okay. All right then.
And Mr. Douglas, who celebrated his birthday last month, the 28th of November.
Oh, Eastern
Douglas.
All right then.
We want to wish them all the best, and we is here for them.
All right.
And just keep them good.
All right then,
all right,
Papa.
Raga. And I want to play a song for her, Raga. Play a song for her, no?
You know what? You're right.
I love this song, you know. You know the song they call it Once, Twice, Three Times, My Lady?
Oh, me not have that one there. But we find out now, man. We have to play a tune.
Raga, man. Me know we can't depend.
Hold on. We're going to find a tune for sister. Once, twice, 3 times a lady.
Yes, man.
All right. We look for it here.
And big up Mr. Miller.
Which Miller that?
Mr. Harold Miller.
Anthony Miller from
Harold
Rising Star.
Miller.
Oh,
That's the husband of Mrs. Simpson Miller.
Okay. Big up Mr. Miller every time, man. I watch that here.
All right, Raga. Listening out for the music.
Cool, man. We'll try to line it up. Yeah?
All right. God bless.
Okay. All right. I can hold a break. We'll soon forward.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Big up my mama. God bless her. Chill up in her every right and now. I watch nothing. You saying, Mama, how you set the foundation? Make a picnic and day up on the people and voice the radio. My God. Reggie, watch your levels up on something for me. All right. We good to go? All right, good to go. Here we go now. Phone line arranged right now. Top of the morning to you. Whoa. Hello. Bounty Killer Talk. Who is our dead here? Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, morning.
Is your radio on? Please turn off your radio. Hello? Please turn off your radio. Okay. All right then. What's going on?
Yeah, me hear them a big up Bullshit Tail and Terrapin. So I'm to Zuki King out of Spanish Town.
It no matter if you want big up Zuki King, big up Zuki King. Nothing wrong if them big up Bullshit Tail and
every time my toughest one so far, trust me.
All right.
I want to in the Pantour and you know hear nothing about him.
Who him name?
Zuki King.
Zuki King from Spanish Town. Why my big DJ?
Yeah, man.
Him
I
tough?
want to in the Pantour or something.
Okay, I don't know. I never hear about him, man.
You can find out and make me hear about it on your program.
Oh, I don't know. It sounds like you cleverly do something, you know. You don't have to do that. Just big up your artist. Because you know, so we're going to sit through them look play there. You think you're smart, eh? You think you're smart. But which part of Spain you hail from?
Which one?
Which part of Spain you hail from?
Tambourine.
Tambourine. Enough respect to our Tambourine massive. You hear, baby?
Yeah, man. I'm big up the Wax Road crew too, because my friend them live there.
I was in. And them lock in?
Yeah, man.
All right, then protection. You hear, baby?
Yeah, man.
Every time. What we say the issue of the week is give her the preponderance of scenarios involving woman a beat other woman over man. And I tell people, you know, if you don't want to know where I go in Jamaica, you just go in a dance and think. Where we are say, when you talk to the woman, them, a lot of them I say a sort of thing set up, them I give all kind of justification where under some circumstances it's absolutely imperative as far as they are concerned that them go beat the next woman who take them man or whatever. The thing is endemic, it's epidemic, it's big out there, no fighter go on and thing. And apparently, according to some people, it crosses class lines in different ways. Saying, so is it the case that some woman really deserve a beating? If a woman finds she take her man. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. What's a big up to Reggie who they do the root job and I do a good job at it. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raga.
What go on, King?
Well, I'm there, you know. Are you to see up, I don't know if you want to call the name still. Up, anytime I talk to you, you know, so come like me catch out, I'm afraid.
Go school.
But anyway, up where we go watch a center stage. We watch a play. The youth will tell us I'm in a closet.
Hold on. You have to go dress up that.
Yep, no man, hold on, I'm a closet man, when me there work man. I'm going to tell her some more time me there, when my wife it see you.
Yeah.
But me tell her, say, me not pick up, say, you.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That's the player, yeah, man. Love the player.
Yeah, the player, yeah.
Okay, the player.
To me tell her my name and thing, and you say, I have a year me, come here, try for last week, forget you still, you know.
Yeah, was it? Hey, but it just, no, what does I say, I have to clarify that, because this is
no man, people, I just the weird thing, man.
No, but know what you mean. Me know what you mean, you know. But I say, when people listen to them, I say, oh, that brother, they tell you, I can save it in the closet. So come out now.
Yeah, I'm come out now, man.
So basically, I say, you either listen to the show in your closet or you're there at work.
Yes, man, they are work every day. I go and squeezing, because I tell you, right now, I learn from you big and serious, you know.
Oh, what?
Some little thing where I go and some people are come up with some birthday thing. I tell me, say, them birthday, and to them, I tell my elder virgin, I say, boy, one woman tell me, say, her birthday, and she want this, and she tell me, she want that. So, I just lock off and say, boy, you know, say, Raga me learn from, and then I say, he must say, boy, I me learn from too. So, I say, Raga the top man, you know.
What you mean? With the condom you talk about now?
Yes, man. It's same one, man.
Hey, some woman that listen to her and say, see it there? Raga give her the secret, never know.
No, I don't really give her the secret, you know, but me I tell her, me not tell her like still, no, yes, I want, tell her when I come out of the play, you know, me ask her, me say to my wife, where Raga gone? Because you don't want more reason, because I don't reason it through, and you look at people, you know, talk, and I say, you know, have a look at privacy and things.
Yeah.
So me I say, boy, me don't want reason, you know, but the way me I talk to you, me I tell her big and serious, shake me and shake, because me don't know it through, you don't man know, me watch you.
You see?
When you go back in a new Kingston and look at man check you. And you don't, him tell us him a beg you sitting and up going. So I say, you know, say, them man they want to use them. So I start learn from you from this. So when me go stand on a talk to you and a reason with you.
Yeah.
You gotta feel say I can you.
No, man. Then me and your wife not talk good, man.
Yes,
and thing right there, so no, man, I don't can. No.
I'm afraid, man. I'm talk to you and a reason. I kind of catch my afraid right away. Because put me a talk to
you see?
a big man them way. Because he's a man pan a wall.
Yeah.
Me look up to you, man. Me tell you, big and serious. Me listen to you. Me listen what the thing them where you come on the program. Me can't talk to you now.
You see it?
Think me not talk to you face to face to catch my afraid. I know. Me can't talk. Chat to you now.
You see it. Yeah, well, manners and respect and thing, you know. You know, for that now.
I yell up my wife still, you know. I yell up my youth them and me too, you know.
Them boss it no, Papa, boss it no.
Alright, just yell up Hillary Shaw, and yell up Ashley Shaw and Hakeem Shaw, and my name Roland Shaw.
Roland Shaw, boom, man. Where they are? And which buy they right now?
Newport Mills, me them, and they are Newport Mix, man.
Newport Mills. Enough respect to the staff and everybody down there, so you see it?
Yeah, and the nickname of Kaba then call me down here.
Kaba?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Roland Shaw, a.k.a. Kaba.
Yeah, no one then you can give me a shout out and yell up Kaba.
Kaba. All right, Papa.
All right,
you see?
Yeah, man. Listening out still,
all right, protection every time, Kings, eh?
Guidance party.
Go, so. Yeah. I'm big up all of my get to fabulous people out there, yeah? And I don't know where we come from and where we can reach. The sky's the limit. And big up to my boy who let me do that from early up, from the giddy up. And see me now, full testament of her vision. Enough respect to my sister and my brother Willie. Now watching nothing. Who am I now watching nothing? That's my brother really. I'm calling him Willie. And big up my sister Marvelyn. Now watching nothing. And big up my two nephews, them, Matthew and Nathan. Yeah? Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Oh, go on, you know. Reggie, boy. Everything, what people never see Reggie too on them. Here we go, top of the morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Well, the day I got to.
Okay, I just giving you a heal, you know. Going through some stress, so just go and listen to you to see. Can pick up the vibes.
All right. Now, what kind of stress you got through, you know?
Why, I tell you the teenager stress.
Teenager stress?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a teenager or you?
No.
Or you have a teenager?
Teenager.
Okay, so like what go on this?
Why? I tell you, like, you know, when them get, I don't know if you say, you know, but teenager stress, like, they need boyfriend.
Okay, so you have a daughter?
Mm-hmm.
Who what? What do you mean she need boyfriend? Like she out there now, she having...
Yeah, she run
down to her boyfriend or something like that?
she having a boyfriend.
Right, okay. And that is causing problems?
Yeah, causing me problem. What I don't want to that at that time, at age.
Okay. How young or old of a teenager is she?
No, 14.
14? Okay. And she have a boyfriend. And it's a problem for you right now?
Big problem.
Some people might be listening and say, well, at 14, there's nothing wrong if a girl have a little boyfriend. It depends on what is happening, though, with the boyfriend.
So what are you saying? There's nothing, a parent should not be concerned about that?
Well, you see, I wouldn't say that, you know. What I'm saying is, you say, all right, this is depending on where the parent live now and how them know, so them 14-year-old daughter is, and where them know the daughter would do or not do. Them will allow a boyfriend. But at the same time, you have certain communities in Jamaica. Given how the young man them behaving in that community, or given how the daughter might be behaving, where you just do say it's not a good idea if she go have any boyfriend in that the community. You understand what I say? I think so. I just you for judge and all, but in your estimation now, why is this not a good idea if she have a boyfriend at 14?
I don't see why she should have a boyfriend now at the age of 14, because when look at this there. When you start have a boyfriend now at 14, you cannot focus on your work.
Okay.
Because remember, you know, when you've been there, say you in love, as they've said. When teacher teaching, you're not focused on that, you know, because your mind is not there, so.
Okay.
I think when you even take out the book to read it, you're not seeing what are in the book.
All right, then. But here's the dilemma where parents face. You think, say, if you tell her, say, you're not allowed to have a boyfriend and try, you think that when stop her, she wants to have a boyfriend?
No, I know that. That is my problem. I know it's not going to stop her.
So how you going to deal with it then? If you think, say, it might not stop.
I don't know how.
Okay.
I talk, and I just don't know.
Do you think that probably there is a way if you say, well, you can have a little friend, but then you sit her down and tell her what she must do and what she not to do, and make she know, say, listen, boyfriend can come and go, but your education stay with you forever. And you know, them look at counseling there and them something there. What you think? You think you can go for a win-win solution along those lines?
No, me can't go through
You
it.
can't see yourself in any way agree with your daughter at 14 and have a boyfriend.
No, me can't see myself at it. And it tear me.
It tear you?
Yeah.
But I am suggesting that you think about how best to deal with it, because you seem to be dealing with it in a black and white manner. And I'm suggesting also that if a picnic they name, you know, and if they're determined to do something, some of them are going to hide and do it.
I agree.
And you need to figure out if you want to either do something or you give some leeway where the lines of communication can remain open and so forth, and you know what going on, and she can come and say, Mommy, you know what my boyfriend do today, or you know, something along those lines. I mean, you may want to think about that, yeah? Yeah?
It's hard.
But it sounds like it. Is it one daughter?
Yeah.
Aha, yeah. How me pick up that? You have a son? You have a son? Okay, but it's your one daughter. And do you live in a community that is looking rough or so?
Ghetto community.
Ghetto community, Lord God. I say, I don't know how to manage out there, you know. Me see the stress bound on a fret every day, you know, given what is occurring to the young girl I'm out there. Because I know you know what's going on with the young girl I'm out there, you know. That's a part of the reason why you have fret.
Having a boyfriend, you know, and then you have a friend, is a friend, a boyfriend going on to. It's not that alone. The boys are focused on sex.
Me know. And they may breed or something where them do it today, and when me and you didn't know.
You understand me?
Aye.
And then when you grow up...
Hold on. You can't wait. We could just make them read the news. Then headline and we'll come back. Here?
All right.
Coming right back to you, Putus. Don't move.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, welcome back up in the thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all Massive and crew. Back to Wakala. Yes, Mumsy.
Yes.
Hey, so yeah, you did say something about the boy, the young boy,
you know them stay.
Yeah.
Them only want to see the child look good and tell her, my daughter look good.
Yeah.
Her age.
Okay.
She look good.
Mm-hmm.
And then the thing is this, you know how you grow your child, and when you look and so she grew, and then you look now she focus on the man, the boyfriend. You understand what I mean? Boy, me tell you, it tear up my heart. Me can't sleep. Me can't eat.
There is something I have to tell you though that I want you to understand. At 14, it is quite normal. There are certain stages of adolescence, you know, when them reach them age there, and it is actually quite normal for her to start to be interested in a boyfriend at 14 years old. That is normal. That is not unusual. It is not wrong. You know, across the world, when them reach them time, them start to show interest in the opposite sex. Now, is how the parents manage it that going to determine how the parents manage it that going to determine how the thing turn on. In other words, what I'm saying to you, it sounds to me that you want her to just ignore boy together, and some do. Some girl them go through high school and them have no boyfriend and all them something there. Some them have no boyfriend, but them have the picture who them like and you know which singer and them something. I mean, no, you don't mind that. But again, but again, you know, it's normal for girls at 14 years old to start having interest in boys.
So that continue for the rest of the or it stop.
Depending on what experiences they go through, it can go up and down. But the teenager years, man, are the roughest years them for when we grew up, you know. People say, you know, and but it continue though. If it start, I'm telling you the truth, based on what is out there and the evidence, we know. Once it start, it not go stop.
Boy, me can't manage it. And when I think now, it's just to block her out completely.
You think that would be a good idea?
To please me.
To please you. But if you block her out completely, what kind of problem you think might come out of that? If you block her out completely, it means that you not talk to her about those things. Don't it?
Yeah, I agree with that, but I'm talking to her from not now, it's not since it happened, I'm speaking to her and I explain what going to take place or so forth. You understand me? So I think she should just have a knowledge of it, what going to become taking place. So, boy, if you tell you the truth, me don't know to angle it. I can't angle it no more. I do enough, and it tear me.
It tear
you.
Yeah. Do you have enough trust in your daughter right now that she'd be able to make the right choices at age 14?
I don't have enough. I just have a little.
You just have a little. So in your estimation...
Because the trust what I have in her break down.
Yeah. Okay.
My confidence and the trust what I would have in her, it really break down. I don't have it again.
How should be able? How should go
on? Tell you the truth, she's a quiet child.
She
don't give me any trouble.
Oh, okay.
She don't unruly. You understand me? She's a quiet child. If I don't go out and tell somebody like that, say she have a boyfriend, they wouldn't know. She's a quiet child. No trouble whatsoever.
No trouble whatsoever. But I mean, given that she's a quiet child, she don't get... Because let me tell you something. You have some parents out there, and I have some daughter at 14, and I hell and pour the house in the house, you know.
That's true.
And cuss and wood, them I got take and all them something there. So, no, what I want you to know, you actually have it real good. And I want you to appreciate it, that it's actually really, really good for you right now, in a way that once you realize how fortunate you are, which is a result of how your raised are, then you can start seeing it as a positive and then work with the positive. Because if you have it real good, which is you don't get in trouble, it sounds like you and your daughter talk good.
Good relationship. We have a good relationship. It's just this breaking it down.
No, but what I'm saying is it probably not breaking it down, you know. It sounds like you have the conditions in place right now for sit down and all. You and your daughter go eat some ice cream and say, just a nice little reasoning with that.
What I'm saying to you now.
Yeah.
It is there, but I'm backing away from it. That I'm telling you now. I want to do it, and when I reach to do it, I just say no, Lord, I should have a way because I do enough. I don't have that love again to say to do that. You understand me? Because to find out now that what you are doing, it's hurting me and tearing me inside because I'm not looking for it.
I see.
You know, when you're not looking for something from a person,
right,
and it just come dropping on your spirit like this, it just tearing me.
Can I ask you something?
And I don't have any, the love for her is drifting.
Your love for your daughter is drifting?
Yeah, because that's in that way.
Because she has a boyfriend?
Yes.
The love for your daughter, your love for your daughter is drifting because she has a boyfriend.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you a couple things now, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever seen a situation where somebody had a child too early or something like that?
I have one early.
How early?
That's why it's burning me.
How early?
15 and over.
You had one when you were 15?
That's why I'm tearing so, because I don't want it to happen to her. And I didn't have a parent stand beside me like, oh, I stand beside her.
I see.
You understand what I mean? I don't want to been through what I've been through. I wonder if you get what I'm talking about.
No, I am understanding you better now.
Right, you understand me?
Right.
Because my mother wasn't there because she have a lot and she have to go look work. She have to do domestic work and leave us on her own, on our own. You understand me?
Right.
And I'm telling her that it's not bad because I get pregnant. But because I don't have any risk, no one was there for me.
I stand up for you.
Stand up for me.
And give you guidance.
Right, don't go there, sir, don't go there, sir. And in all that way, I was not a bad child.
Right.
And I was not an unruly child, and I do not run up and down all about. You understand me?
And it did still happen to you?
And it happened to me.
Okay.
And I tell him that because of my parents is not there, because she'd have to go and look it. And I'm not blaming her because of that neither, but because the situation where she find herself in, she'd have to go look food for us to get. You understand me? So I would left and unprotected is.
I see.
So I try my best now not to leave that child, you know.
Okay.
Even to go away. I get the opportunity to go away and I turn it down. Because I say I not want to leave my child and make she go through the same situation what I'm going through.
Exactly.
So I standing up for her.
Right
now I'm looking to tell her, I tell her that I'm looking at visa next year because my 14 years with her wasted. And I'm going to leave her.
Hold on. Did you tell her that?
Yes, I told her that.
Usually in a situation like this, in a counselor capacity, which is what I'm in right now, you don't tell people what to do, but I am going to tell you, don't say that to your daughter again. Yeah?
Because even yesterday I look at her and tell myself, waste my 14 years sitting down with you, trying my best without a father with you.
Darling, listen to me now. Listen to me now and listen carefully. You went through a situation and that you just explained when you were 15 and so forth, right? And it's because you go through that, there is some deeply embedded fears inside of you and anxiety, like you just explained, that the same thing might happen to your daughter.
Yeah.
And you talk to her and tell her what you're not supposed to do because you know what had happened to you. But what you see is that she still have a boyfriend and so forth. And like you say, you don't know how to deal with it with her.
I can't deal with it. I just do not know how to do it.
Right. So you're having these feelings of helplessness.
Yes.
That, unfortunately, because you feel so helpless, there's a kind of frustration and a little bit of anger come out to the
and
point.
A little bit of worry.
Yeah, where you tell her, don't say, you're done with her and all of that. No, I mean, I tell her, say, you have to go try and control that. Because you see at this age, the children, them, you say one little thing, them take it and then make it a bigger thing. She probably don't have the capacity to fully understand the emotional stress where you are go through and so forth. At that age, they usually don't. They can't understand it fully. But don't tell her, say you're done with her and you don't have nothing to do with her and them something there, yeah? She will let you go, you know. And you don't want that, yeah? All right. Listen, I'm going to make you give Reggie off ear.
Yeah.
We're going to give Reggie a name and number, yeah?
Okay.
All right. Reggie, take this lady name and number here for me, all right?
Okay.
Anthony. it would be. I'm sure listeners, you're listening what transpired and some of the things that just came out in that discussion just now. Reggie, there's somebody online. Just let them wait. Okay, that discussion just now. It gives you insight into some of the challenges that are facing parents out there. Two, this whole notion that when a woman go through certain things, and she don't want her daughter to go through the same thing. And the range of emotions that come with it. And the range of emotions that call certain types of behaviors that come with it. You hear it come out of this lady voice. You hear the frustration, the sense of futility. She feel like she just in a fear mind, she don't know how to deal with this situation. So it's like she want to look out for her daughter, but all them things are going inside her. And thing, and unfortunately, she end up, in my estimation, saying certain things and doing certain things that you don't want to do, with a teenage girl on that level. Parenting is a tricky thing. There's no 100% correct way to do this, and so forth. And parents are doing their best right now, competing with the internet, competing with community, competing with economic problems and all kind of thing and whatever. But, you see where there's this generational thing there where she go through certain experience and she don't want her daughter to go through it. And she end up a project some of those, pain and fears onto her daughter in a way where it's causing a little bit of a rift between them and so forth. And her appeal basically is, how do I deal with this? So we could have go on and on and on. But I think it is best that we see if we can help her to speak to somebody who is qualified, to counsel her on these matters. Okay, an interesting cause. It just speaks to the unpredictability of this show. You just never know where it will go. But we're going to try work out some affair. Well, while I break, we'll soon come.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the things in the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. Want to thank you for your patience there as we had that, discussion with that caller there just now, her daughter. All right, we're on the issue of the week. Same way. Is it the case that some woman deserve a beating for all them are going when they take our next woman, man? Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello? You hear the ghosting and everything a while ago. Okay. Hello? Take time with the people rooting a day, so we are juggle the best we can. We are doing whole heap of things one time. Hello? All right. I don't know where I go. Technical problem. The call him now come in. All right. Well, I don't know. I could go and read some email then. Well, Reggie sort this out. Top of the morning to you, Mr. Shanti. Always listen to your program and never leave the house until your program is finished. Wives observe your husbands, especially when them at work 24/7, Sunday to Sunday. The next minute is a baby into the relationship. These husbands/men are very lie and great pretenders. You feed them, wash and fix them up for their work activities, no matter how you give it to them. You give it to them like Mary and Joseph, Mama and Papa style. You give it to them the Blue movie style, and them not satisfied. Them your man love to have experience with other women outside of their relationship, no matter who they be. Even in the church, husbands sometimes cheat on their wives with their church sisters. I will never fight any woman for my husband because jealousy and respect are two different things. As long as there is respect in the marriage, I will never fight another woman. Please do not call my name. I will not, darling. Next email. Hi again, Raga. Boy, your show really sell off. Right now I have to be fighting off my friend for my MP3 player. Please call me Petrina because I don't know what kind of language you were speaking this morning when you were calling my name. It pronounced Suizana in French. Okay. Anyway, I love this week's topic, but I can't seem to get through to you when I try calling. I would like that girl who there with the married man come try take my man. then she would have seen which God she served. Keep up the good work. Real get us in thing. Send shout out to my mom, Miss D, my sister Pinky, and all the staff of Ministry of Health. Next email. Personally, I don't think so. That a woman should fight over a next woman over a man. It is pointless. Before me fight over a man, me and the woman plan and beat the man. But if a girl take my man and feels that she must come bright with me have to sort her out proper. Just give her a dose a season. Raga, big up yourself. And Ruth, hope you get better soon. Raga, I love you. You're cute. Cute. Whatever, Reggie, when the woman never rate you up and this and that, you don't laugh. You get quiet, don't you? You laugh off of people. Raga, no man no value my strength with another woman. If he feels like he wants to go out there with someone else, then he can go. I am as good as it come. I have a man and he's always straying, but eventually comes right back to me. I think his reason for staying is because I am married and I live with my husband, and sometimes he needs someone else to hang with when I am not available. So I have no reason to fight with another woman for any man. Well, I understand. You understand that, Reggie? She said, I have a man. He's always straying, but eventually comes right back to me. I think his reason for straying is because I am married and live with my husband, and sometimes he needs someone else to hang with when I am not available. So I have no reason to fight with another woman for my man. The man where she referred to is not her husband. That's how it got on. Well, interesting. Here we go. Where you said the technical thing. All right, here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good morning, Ragashanti.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm a first-time caller.
Okay. Welcome to the family.
Thank you. I listen to you all the time, though.
Okay.
I don't have a radio name, but my real name is Megan.
Megan.
Yeah.
I'm curious, Megan. How old are you?
22.
22. All right. So
and
what I got?
December 29 is my birthday.
December 29 is your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday when it comes, Megan.
Thank you.
All right. So what I got on you now? You want to talk about anything?
About the topic for the week.
Hello? Megan, did we lose you?
No, you don't.
Okay. Your credit are done?
Yeah.
Okay, talk quick then.
Yeah. About the topic for the week, I don't think any woman should fight a man. Fight the next woman for the man, because once in high school I saw two girls fighting over a guy, and the guy just stand there laughing. And the two girls, they are killing one another for the guy, and the guy stand up laughing. So
and him just stand up there and laugh?
Stand up and laugh. So I don't see the sense why ladies should go around fighting other ladies for a man.
All right then, Megan. Here, which area you call from?
Duane Park.
All right then, bless up here.
Okay.
You take it.
Ragashanti,
Yeah.
Can I make one request, please?
Quick, because your credit are done.
Okay. Do anybody have a microwave plate that is the microwave not working and they have a microwave plate selling?
Okay. All right.
And the number to call is 765-2144.
All right then, Megan.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Bless up. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
First time on your show.
Welcome to the family.
I'm trying to reach you from Monday and I can't get through.
See, that you're lucky now. What go on?
A foolishness to fight over, man. Foolishness.
Boy, why if a woman I take a man and come up to you and hype with it, pan it?
Just ignore it. And the man never bring it to.
And the man you gotta bring it to?
Yeah, man.
You not, if the woman and talk up all kind of things what she do with the man and all and them, some of that.
Why? Because if me war, I see him thing.
What you mean? So him still gotta do him thing?
Still doing thing.
Okay, so it don't make no sense then?
It don't make no sense, man. No make sense to disgrace yourself, you know?
But what you say to them woman out there who I say, because even on the road yesterday, and some woman I say, Raga, them don't know what go on. They are of the opinion that when you reason the way you reason, that woman will come and take on a man easy because them know so you think, so them take your kindness or weakness and just bright up and take your man from you and them something.
First thing you tell the man, so if he might cheat by you,
yeah,
tell the woman to have respect. Right? Because if the man don't give the woman the opportunity, she not go bright up with you. And the man give the woman the opportunity to bright with you, you know.
Okay.
Just tell him respect your woman or your wife. Just respect her.
So what you are saying, you the first thing for you tell a man is like, listen, if you go out there and do your thing, you make sure say do in such a way where the woman not come disrespect me, cause me a wife I am.
And cover himself, huh? If me tell him so not do it, he still go do it.
So,
a jealousness a causing.
Okay.
Jealousness, man.
Okay. So you think it's totally okay for a woman just sit down and just make them reasoning there with her man?
Let me tell you the truth. Like a man shot. And if you have one good man,
yeah,
you not go share.
Man shot, and if you have a good man, him a go share, period. Okay.
Go share, man.
So you said that's just the reality.
Reality.
So I better you share it as in the best respectful way that you can. And that you say.
But me not give him with so easy. But me not fight over no man.
Okay.
Fight over no man.
Okay.
When you treat your man good, he still have a level of respect for you.
Okay.
I not go disrespect you so easy.
Okay.
Take care of yard. Tell the woman on the road. Respect your woman in yard.
Okay.
And the lady who have the 14-year-old daughter.
Yeah.
I have 2 children.
Uh-huh.
And I have my first when I was 17.
Mm-hmm.
And I have my daughter will be 18 next month.
Mm-hmm.
And me and she's coming like a sisters.
Right.
Me say, take my life, make an example to you.
Mm-hmm.
Me say, the boyfriend thing now will work out, because when me friend with our father, I was a virgin. I never understand nothing. Never know, friend I do it, so you go do it too.
Okay.
And get pregnant.
Okay.
And I say, listen to me, baby. I'm a single parent, the father don't mind him.
Uh-huh.
And I do living job.
Uh-huh.
And I make sure I take care of them.
Right.
Right, so therefore, I say, take my life, make an example.
Boy, say you and your daughter move like sisters.
Yeah,
so on
man.
no talk and no reason and them something there. So are you against your daughter having a boyfriend, or you say you can't have your...
She doesn't have a boyfriend,
Eh?
She don't have a boyfriend.
How old is she?
She'll be 18.
And she don't have a boyfriend?
No.
But if your daughter did have a boyfriend at 15, would you reach a point where... Hello?
Yeah?
Would you reach a point where you just couldn't deal with it?
No, I tell her she can't have a boyfriend, but the sex thing,
Right.
put down the sex thing.
So you
Because I say, 15 minutes is over. Don't bother with the sex thing.
okay. How many minutes?
15 minutes.
15. Okay.
You're over.
All
Don't
right.
bother. She can't date yet, but don't bother with the sex.
No bother with this. So you low if you have a boyfriend, but you work out that thing where you counsel her.
Yeah, man.
And you remain in contact with her and communicate with her in a way where she not go out there going with certain things, right?
I don't like her because she look good.
All right.
You don't want to have a crush.
All right.
But the serious things to start have sex and something.
Right.
Don't bother with it.
All right then. Blessings here.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Yeah, man. Take care. Could read 2 emails before we break right now. Hey, Raga, good morning. Now, no name calling. This bond is really getting I refuse to fight over a man unless the woman a hype. Then me go cool like cassava. My husband was like a alley cat. Him not pardon nothing. As long as it wears skirt. I'm going to try to lick it. He's disgusting, but I decided that I would have to have the fighting prowess of Mike Tyson to keep up with him, as I'd always be fighting and refuse to satisfy him that way. I think if it's not her, it's going to be another woman. So on our last night together, I gave him a sample of what he like, a showdown, as him think him too hot. Women need to understand that men like this. 2 women fight over me thing and leave it. That men like this 2 women fight over me thing and leave it. I know that is why my hobby was flinging around was not worth fighting for. Found a nicer one. My child last a little longer too. If him ever knew. Wait. Found a nicer one. My child. Last a little longer too. Oh, if him ever knew. Oh, so she get a better sorting out, partner. Big up from Miami. Next email. Raga, some woman forget licked. My ex introduced our friend to our... Raga, some woman forget lick. My ex introduced our friend to our ex-boyfriend. Then after 16 years, she encouraged the man to leave her husband and picnic and married her. Now you think the ex-wife No, you not think the ex-wife should have dropped some lick pan her. Hey, when I was about 9, 10, I saw 2 men draw guns on each other in Franklin town over a woman. It is usually more comical when 2 women go at it over a man. Oh, this guy, my ex introduced our friend to our ex-boyfriend. Okay. Then after 16 years, she encouraged the man to leave her husband and pick me and married her. Now, you know, things that the wife should have dropped some lick pan. Friend and friend together. Well, I will break. We'll soon forward.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti. Hi, Raga, email me, I read. Don't say my name, but keep my email address. Raga, the situation with the mother. I think her past issues are overcrowding her mind. She knows her daughter. She needs to let go of what happened to her and try to get to understand her child's position and to know the boyfriend and his parents. They need to communicate in order to have an understanding. Not because it happened to her, the mother, it will happen to her, the daughter. Having a boyfriend does not mean that sex is involved. Communicate. That's the first step. To the phone lines we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Ragashanti, aye.
My respect, King.
Yeah, man. Bless up, you know.
Saying?
I just love take time out to hear of Princess Chavine, a.k.a. Tasha, up in Kellets, and one who put a lot of energy not to miss your show. You know, from the princess I listen to your show sell off for Kellett. Big up yourself.
All right, sir.
The sister who called in about the problem with her daughter.
Yeah.
Even though I understand what she's going through.
Yeah.
Your approach to it is definitely what the youth would want the mother to deal with it. How the youth would love it. In doing so, it will make it easier for the youth to get the daughter away from her.
Mm-hmm.
So what she need to do, she need to get some counseling for herself to deal with it on a professional basis, which would to invite this youth over with the daughter, get to know the youth, go into his headspace, see what plan he had for his daughter, and guide them accordingly.
Mm-hmm.
Because at her age, she cannot stop her from having boyfriend.
Right.
The peer pressure is on her,
mm-hmm.
plus the stages that her body is going through.
It's a natural biological evolution for young girls to reach that age and be interested in.
So she cannot stop that. So she need to work with it. Because the more you tell her she has no ambition and you're done with her, that it give her a leeway if you say, well, go to somebody who sees value in me.
No, not only that. Then you just use the key word there, the value. Because when you talk, what I'm concerned about is the statement using to daughter right now, particularly for teenager, will devalue the daughter, and then you know who the daughter going to turn to get value,
love and affection,
which is what you were referring to when you started.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
And the youth will want that to happen to make it easier for him.
Not necessarily, but let's be careful. We don't know what this young man is thinking or how he is, or we don't know anything about him.
Well, to think the worst of the situation.
Yeah. Well, a worst case scenario. Right.
Yes.
Right.
And to invite the youth over, sit down with the youth as if that child would have been your son, and how you would have guided your son. Because as a one emailer said, sex might not be involved.
Right.
However, that might be forthcoming if not already been happening, and you need to make sure that the youth, because the youth don't accept the invitation and come over to the house, and you sit down, that they can sit down as a family. That is not a good child for your daughter, even have a friendship.
And it's a very important strategy you just identify. And a lot of parents out there are very skilled at it, and they know. They will just say to the daughter, then they know you have a little boyfriend, I'm going to know him, just introduce, and you come, and what happened is that when a mother in particular, I mean I talk about our cultural dynamics, when a mother meet the boy who attacked her daughter and treat him good, and at the same time communicate to him what she want for that, you're frightened if you know enough of them little boy that when all certain things come up and say, boy, boy, I can't do this because Miss Lucy would have vexed, you know?
All right.
And you know them look weird.
Yeah, the man
and
has him in so much a high esteem.
Exactly.
That he cannot betray that trust.
Exactly.
Right.
That's more time all the daughter them want to do something and the son them say, no, Miss Lucy would have, you know, or Miss Joan, you know?
Right.
I think, no, I don't want to go over there because your mother go vex and what, you know?
Yeah.
Them look at thing that, so some parents understand them skills and utilize them thing, then that might be one of the things she want to think about. But she reach a point where she don't even want to entertain anything on a level if you say.
I noticed that. That's why I said she needs some counseling to change that approach.
Yeah, because the block is in she, you know. The block is in. No.
However, you know, I just hope that she can be able to develop the strength and the wise mind to deal with it.
Yeah.
On the topic again, brethren.
Yeah.
I am still saying the woman should not be the culprit, and the man should be the one, because when the woman they go beat up that the woman and murder her and get rid of her, the man say, yeah man, my woman that a fight over me, you know. And when he get rid of one, he go look when that one because he love when you fight.
Yeah.
So the more you beat them up, and the more they go get to watch you fight over him. Attack the man. Don't trouble the woman them. The woman them has nothing to do with it, even though they might be the one who push it. The man is the one who have the last word in it.
So you, as a man, I say, when a woman in a position where next woman take her man, she must attack the man, not the woman.
No, not the woman. Because if me have my woman and me can catch her with a man, me just say, brethren, look at you better me, go on your way. Then me go deal with the woman. Me not have nothing to deal with the man. And the woman have the last.
Mr. Raskava, my friend them always I say a lie me I tell me just I run up my mouth and this and but me talk it every day.
What you mean, man?
Me say if me have a woman and me love her gone to bed and me come home and see a man a sort her out and have her speak multiple languages and all of them something. Me not putting my hand on none of them, you know.
You're mad.
I go and mix some lemonade for them because when them done them I go tired them I go need for recuperate and sweat up and thing and see me can put on a little standing fan for go and turn on the AC for them or something. You know, when them done them cool like that, my house, them go have to leave.
Yeah, for the reach and stay there.
But me I make them do what them want to do. And me I rate him as long as I don't rape him, I rape her. Me say, you should give you, take it.
All right.
Take it. Me have a woman and she go give a man thing. What me I go war him for?
Yeah.
And she give him. I say, take it. And take it and do it good too. And think, me.
That's true, man.
I go to prison. I look over there and I prison.
I hope Ruth get a fully recovery very soon.
All right, Papa. Enough respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Anna. Okay, quick in here. Raga, don't say my name. Raga woman must turn the tables upon the man them. Man can't take bun. And when them know say another man a fill them gap. Another man a fill them gap. Them start the woman them. Message to the ladies. A man for fight over you, not the other way around. Okay, next one. People, please, I'm asking you to shorten your emails because I'm going to have to stop reading the long ones, okay? And actually, this reading of emails, it's so many of them are coming, you know. What do you think, Reggie? It's a lot of time I spend on it now. I've got to figure out a way to manage this better, you know. And the emails are too long, no. Way too long. All right, Raga, this is Sexy Legs. A few years ago, while I was at college a Jamaican living in New York called me mistakenly. Anyway, Raga, he liked me and liked my name because his daughter had the same name. He claimed that she was living in Jamaica. Raga, the man started sending me money. So I bought chickens and asked my mom to rear them for me. A few days after his sister called me, Raga, me start give the woman a whole lot of information. Then when me asked her if Jimmy showed her my picture, she said no. Me said to her, you sure say you are Jimmy's sister? She said, no, I am Jimmy's wife. Raga, the story long, but Jimmy was also going to have a dance, and he invited, I don't know, the woman all I asked if I in at the bar, me I go serve. You hear me no? No, I want to be by Jimmy's side. After a long talk, she told me that she wasn't upset with me because Jimmy had done this before, and I'm very intelligent and I shouldn't let any man fool me like that again. Raga, me not go at the dance, but me sell me chicken them and make my money. Jimmy didn't call back. Next thing me did go at the dance and she got pay a man for next thing me go at the dance and she got pay a man for shoot me. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Boy, Reggie and that be a stress here.
Hello.
Yes, hello, yes.
Morning, Raga.
Good morning.
Long time I will call you, you know. Raga?
Uh-huh.
Me always listen to you, but me no call regular call. You too hard to get.
Osh.
Anyway, about your topic,
Uh-huh.
when me did young,
Yeah.
maybe mother do it, fight over one man.
Yeah.
But now me feel say me go past that stage there now.
Uh-huh.
You know why over no man, cause even though them say man short,
Uh-huh.
me no feel say me should have go lose my life to one man.
Okay.
Because
Man really shot for you?
some people say.
Oh, okay.
Some people say, but me no have no problem with man, so me no really know if them short or if them tall.
Oh.
But me tell myself say, me not do it because me no want to lose my life to one man.
All right.
And when me dead gone, him I go move on with him life.
You see it?
Exactly.
You see
Anyway, want to big up some people.
Say that.
I big up
Well, I
me.
know, don't you know so you must turn off on the radio, man. It can't be a problem when you leave on the radio and it mash you up over here. We keep telling you, man.
Yeah, hear me radio, Raga?
Yes.
Me turn it down low.
No, it's supposed to turn off. But go and talk. Send on the greetings.
Yeah, me big up me taxi friend Maggie. Run taxi on Kingston Road.
I was it?
Yeah. And
Maggie?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, every time I call you, you're supposed to know who I call you. 'Cause every time I call you, me always I big up my friend Maggie.
All right.
Mm-hmm. And little Rasta man, Junior Grace.
Yeah.
At Kingston Town.
Yeah.
My one son, him supposed to be at school, you know.
All right.
I'm Rasta.
All right then.
And all who know me and family member.
All right.
And yeah, sure, sell off, trust me.
All right then. Blessings.
Even though me can't get through to you, but me not stop listening to you.
All right then. Blessings. Yeah?
And, yeah, man.
All right then. Take care. Right, well, I break. What's so come?
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Hey, yeah, man. Welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Quick email. Hi, what's up, Raga? Oh, I don't hear you telling Sister P that she must wake up the next day tired. Is what I fear Keller. Well, fear is fear, and we just want to inform the most honorable Portia LaQuisha Simpson Miller that there's a rule on this show that once you have a birthday, you must be tired the next day. So we're asking the honorable Portia Simpson Miller to adhere to that dictate and that principle and thing, and we look, she should be very tired tomorrow and be very exhausted and so forth. Here we go, top of the morning. Yo, I could run some call, right? Easy for the email. I run some call, straight call right now already. Good morning.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Good morning, Ragashanti.
Good morning.
I want to say hi to Miss Thelma.
All right.
And first and foremost, I will never fight over a man.
All right.
Because it don't make no sense. Want to fight over a man, fight one next woman over a man. You man still go look one another woman and stuff.
Okay.
And because one day me there all over and this policeman and he married, right? But his wife did go away. And his wife kind of find out say he did a cheat on her or whatever. So his wife come back with her sister. But like when they did go back now, then woke up the policeman in a whole hour with one another girl, one school girl.
School girl?
Yes, school girl. In a car with her and stuff and whatever. So when time she and her sister go, the man did frighten. And the sister, them open the car and draw out the little girl and then beat the girl. She and her sister beat the girl.
Wait, she and her sister, them a big man?
Yeah, then beat the girl. The married woman beat the girl.
Beat the school girl?
Yes, beat the school girl until I leave her man. And did they cuff the policeman and stuff and something and tell the policeman to come out of the car and whatever because the policeman did in a fear car.
So when them a beat the school girl, what the policeman do?
The policeman just stand up and right in front of the station, then did a fight too.
Right in front of, wait, we'll have a police station?
Yes.
So
right
did the married woman's sister did that beat the girl too?
Yeah, the two of them did that beat the girl and the policeman just sit down there and the policeman in the mobile station just a watch. Because them could have done nothing.
The policeman, what you mean them could have done nothing?
Well, me not
the policeman, that's why them always talk up things about me and brand me and go on with them foolishness in there. I mean, even not to pay them no mind. Why them shouldn't, between me and you now. Well, and the rest of Jamaica, of course. you think says that little girl, what you say, is a school girl, don't it?
Yeah, schoolgirl. Like, she not upper six or whatever.
Then must the policeman step to her and give her lyrics, don't it?
Well, maybe. Me don't know.
You don't know. Well,
and
we know some of them pitney are bright nowadays.
And them bright enough, and then them beat the girl, and the policeman turn around and cuss him wife and something and take back the girl in the car, and then still in there and there hush the girl or whatever, and her wife was like, come out of my car, I want my car.
Well on. Them jack the little schoolgirl out of the car and beat her.
Yeah.
The wife and the sister.
Yeah.
And the policeman there they watch.
Did they watch and not do nothing?
And the other policeman in all our station I watch too.
Yeah, them a watch, and then the policeman after
the girl done, little schoolgirl done get her beaten, you know. What happened after that?
The policeman take up the girl, the little schoolgirl, and put her back in the woman car and usher and whatever.
What do you mean the woman car? No, the policeman car?
No. The woman, the wife car.
When they wants it? Well, I wife car?
Yes.
So the policeman put back the schoolgirl in the wife
car.
In cuss the wife then?
Yeah.
And put the schoolgirl back in her car?
Yeah.
And then what happened after that?
And she did a cuss and I said, whatever, how could you do this? And she want her car to come out her car. And the policeman, but me not tell her, if I did me still, would I mash up the windscreen and make it two of them have to come out of that.
Oh, Zin?
But me didn't fight over
if I your car?
If I did my car.
Zin?
And then we'd have to turn on and pay back for it.
Oh, Zin? So what him do with the schoolgirl? What him the driver with the school?
Yeah, I'm driver with her and leave the woman and him sister set up there.
Well, the policeman driver with the schoolgirl and left the wife and the sister turn up.
The wife and the sister.
Boy, oh boy. I think. So weird. In your, you know what I mean, you sound like you kind of have a sense of what's going on in Jamaica. This woman a fight over woman over man thing. Is that a big thing out there?
Big thing.
Big thing.
Yeah. But me not go fight over no man.
That's
stupidness.
You not fight over no man at all?
No man at all. After I know one man in our world. Come on.
But sometimes, you know, if certain things can come upon you where you just have to defend yourself.
Well, yes.
Okay. But if you have your good up man, and you hear say, your good up man involved with the next woman or whatever, and you know who she is, you not step to her and say nothing to her.
Let me step to her, for she not gonna say nothing to me. Because I got take it to the man.
Take it to the man?
Yeah.
Okay then. All right then, baby. Bless up here.
Oh, and my birthday was the 1st of December. I'm a Sagittarian.
Oh, you're Sagittarian too in a year. What we hear about Sagittarian?
Well, about the sex part, me don't really know about that still.
But the Sat, we love for you. We prefer you Sato.
Sato.
But you don't know about that?
No.
You don't love your Sato?
Well.
Come on, tell the truth. Talk the truth. Talk up the things, man.
Well,
let it out, darling. Let it out.
Everybody has to get them sorting out.
No, but some people love it more. Son, this is what the man said the study in Paris said. That's Sagittarian.
I kind of true still.
I kind of true. All right, own up the thing. Who on that time, man, a dog? How the back of your
My cousin.
What she say, what?
Bow man a dog, my cousin.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, did call Monday. My son brother born September 6th, whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, just want to big up Oberlin High School.
Seen?
And everybody, especially Errol Martin and Jermaine.
Oh, so which one have the luck?
Errol Martin, of course.
Big up Errol, because I get him real things, all right? So,
yes,
Jermaine coming in the picture now?
Jermaine is like his best friend.
Jermaine, a female best friend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you know, they sing on All Together Sing last year. They were the defending champions and whatever.
At All Together Sing?
Yes.
Then how old them is?
Errol is like, how much, 18? Yeah, Errol is 18.
Uh-huh. So wait, you ask your cousin how old your boyfriend ages?
Well...
Yeah, Errol go have a talk later, man.
And big up to Muffy. Yesterday, I have to turn and read. I said, I know about Ragashanti. I'm going to turn and read upon New Start 93 and tell her she not to change the station from 9 to 12.
You see, Muffy?
Yes.
So when Muffy there?
Muffy she over, and I look a baby chocolate by November other day.
Our baby name Chocolate?
Yeah.
Our real name that?
No.
Oh.
Our real name is Etana.
Etana, okay.
Yes.
But you call it Chocolate?
Yes,
okay.
Chocolate. Big up everybody, and big up Old Harbour High School. How can I forget my school?
All right.
Big up Old Harbour High.
Okay. The girl with the night pass with the police at Old Harbour Sugar? Old Harbour High Sugar?
No, sir. I don't think Old Harbour High should go.
Okay. But you know a school girl then?
A school girl, man. Because,
but you never know the uniform she in?
No, she didn't have clothes.
But you know a school girl if she didn't have clothes?
She has school school girl. We know the girl, but I know all about high school she go. I don't know which school she go, but a school girl, and she did not look a short of thing and whatever. And
Okay, she did not hot up outfit.
Yes.
All right, then bless up here.
Yeah.
Enough respect. Here we go, top of the morning to you. We are rinse call right now. Whoa.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good morning. First time on your program.
Welcome to the family, darling.
Thank you very much.
Is it?
And I'm in tune to you every single day. Baraga, I can't even work. The amount of people me call and tell them for tuning in.
Well, we love that. You know, because we want the family get big, because we have some plans next year.
Yeah, man. Anyway, the topic of the week.
Yeah.
Baraga, I go through the same thing.
Where you go through that, baby? Talk to Uncle Raga.
Woman want to come beat me.
Hold on there. Somebody have them ready and tell them lock it off, please, may I beg you.
Listen, in my car, look up on the AC on, turn the radio on.
Okay, but we get a feedback. We don't know why, but go on talk.
Okay. So a big woman will come in my yard, come beat me for your man.
A big woman? I come at your yard and beat a fair man?
Beat me for a young boy. Like, so she thinks me and her in the same age group.
How old does she look to you?
She about 48.
And you about how much?
30.
30. And she
the boy at 30.
And the boy at 30. So we say you're the boy and the things?
Yeah, actually we meet and things happen. Now we get involved and him show me the thing with him and her.
Yeah.
Because she a big woman, she don't have her kids them already. Him not get none. She get grandchildren and him send me the life. But him respect her for whatever him say that she do for him over the years, but him need to move on with her life. But can't deal with that. Can't deal with that. Him talk
so him make you know up front say him and her and things?
Yeah, him they live with her.
But him ready for a youth now at 30 years old and she at 48 and thing.
Yeah.
So him ready for move on. What? She don't want him to move on?
She don't want him to move on. None at all. She take it to me.
So
what? Call her and make her know say no. She needs to take it to him.
Hold on. How she take it to you?
Want come warn me and her friend them?
How many friends she bring?
Alright, she and her sister par more time and about 2 other friends. So one day I'm at home.
Yeah.
She hear the grill and knock.
And
cuss outside. So I'm not even pay she no mind. Because here, me not have to war over no man.
See?
No man whatsoever. She needs to war with the man alone.
Wait, what she did say? What she come for do? What she say?
Come out to her because me not in that with her.
Oh.
Me not come out to her. She alone.
But she come at your yard?
Come at my yard gate because I guess I'm move and I live right around her friend them and not even know. And a big things go on, Raga.
Well, and you there run her friend them and never know say her friend them?
Her friend them.
That kind of, you have to be careful, less, you know.
Yes, the here one now.
Yeah.
Me not even pay them no mind. All the costs and the news carrying and everything, me not pay them no mind because the man make them know, say, and me are the one.
It makes you know up front.
Yeah, and tell her more than one time.
So you are the good as? Are you run things, whatever. So why am I
Apple my name, man. How are you?
Why your name? Apple?
Yeah, man.
Cool, no, man. What I'm saying, buy it a day, but anyway. So him tell her, say she feel like a right now, don't it?
No, him say, him respect everything we should do for him over the years, and anything him can do for her, still him will still do it, but she have to understand, him have to move on with him life. Because me, and she couldn't deal with everywhere she see me, she want to argue with me and things.
Yeah.
Because I guess I'm a driver and she not drive. She happened to say the man buy me car and me buy my car, so all of that a bonner. Because she say, how long him and her there? He not buy her nothing, and as him there with me, he buy me a car. But anyway, I'm not pay.
And are you buy your own a car?
And me buy my own car.
I just say, how long him and her there, and him not buy her nothing?
He not buy her nothing.
The 30-year-old not buy the 48-year-old woman nothing?
Nothing, and she a big woman don't live her life. So the car just a bonner. Anyway.
Well, no vex here. You can do a sell it upon?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we have to read the news, but stay upon the line. We'll sort out that thing. Don't move here, because we're coming back to you. All right. Then.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, up with right thing again, seeing the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Back to a caller, what did I tell you about? That she there with this 30. Apple. Yeah, Apple. Apple, you up there, and you have to say a 48-year-old woman want to take it to you because you're there with a 30-year-old.
And him look me in a Raga and things go on, and I say, yeah, look like, you can make life, because we talk about it. Cause
you see, a good youth.
Yeah, I know him will work for what he wants. He try. I not lie, Raga. I will help him certain way. But right now, when me want she to understand, me don't call her because I have her number. I don't tell her to tune into your program. But anyway, I not call her. I say, I go call you.
Yeah.
But once she for no say, I not have no time for war with her.
Okay,
You
okay.
understand?
Okay.
Me bigger than that. She need to take it to him. Guess what? Him walk out on her.
No, when you say take it to him, you know mean so she forgot war him. She forgot talk to him, right?
She needs to understand herself as a big woman, Raga.
Yeah.
Trust me. She get my number and she make my phone and live in hell.
She try to intimidate you and frustrate you for you just leg of the thing, though.
Right. She call and get some of them.
When you say call and call, like how many times a day she call?
Well, 50 times. As early as the morning is, as late as the morning is. So I'm a reporter. And
You report her to the police?
How you mean?
So you said this 48-year-old woman a call your phone how much 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times a day time?
Yeah, so one, nothing at all. So I guess I just call, I just report her and the police them go to the place because I know where she live and thing, you know.
Yeah.
But whenever I see her, she lock up in her house. So anyway, the calls them keep coming in hours and hours and morning and night. And every tick of the day, she call my phone. As soon as she get a break from whatever she do, she ring my number. That means I have her week. So anyway,
What you say, have her week?
Yeah, I change my number upon her. And me have her number, she don't have my number. I guess what? It's when she a call me can call her, I not call her. Because I guess I'm in the phone for that.
Okay.
You understand? I'm bigger than that.
So what you think she would go get physical with this thing and go take it by a certain level? Where?
Me almost get physical with it. And that's why she keep telling lies to me and ring her phone and molest her. I'm not call her phone because I don't have no reason for call her phone.
So what she a tell him say you a call for her phone?
I call for her phone like me a traveler and so. And him knowing the facts I'm not fast with her.
I was it.
You understand?
So what you... Yeah, go on. Yeah.
Drive, go up there one morning, one Saturday morning, I'm going to buy one piece of pickaxe to can have it in my car for her. I'm going to go up there the morning. I'm going to call him out. She and him must have a reason. I'm going to call him out to talk to him and show him the missed call from my phone. Say, I know me a call her. She a call me.
Then when you do that, you did have your pickaxe stick in your hand?
She never knows me a plan for her, but Raga.
Okay.
She never know, but guess what? I know war, me really literally go there for war with her over the man, you know. It's the mere fact that she tell so much life on me, I know so me now call her and molest her like that.
I'm sure you think I know. Him have forgot to step up and be decisive with this thing.
Tell him.
Him have forgot to step up and do. Him have forgot to man up.
You need to step up and be a man and get some other Raga.
Yeah.
Move out from where me used to live in. Him go fine.
Yeah.
I'm move out and him come back and him rip up and guess where him go right round her again.
Him gone round her again?
Yeah, gone back a fair place because me there my family place and him can't come here.
So, and him come back from foreign and him gonna stay with you?
Gonna stay with you.
Him did have somewhere else where him could have stay?
Well, I guess not.
But how you feel about that?
Right now, Raga, it's to all me feel because me the going into the relationship for it lasts, right? I cannot change, you understand?
Yeah.
But the mere fact that him have the baggage behind him, I have to show him tough love.
You show him tough love, and what that mean? You let him go?
I have to move from where me there and make him decide what exactly he want, if I'm me or a she. You understand?
But how you feel, say now, that him say him done with her, but him go foreign and come back and go and live back with her?
Because me move.
Because you... No, but me ask you point blank, if him in the house with her, what you think happening there?
Look here, Raga, I see him business that, you know. Me not really business where him want because him say like that, him and her not like that, them are just whatever. But...
What I say, you have it right, and also you want him you there with straight up?
No, right now, I have a relationship with him because me try to put myself in a position where me not going to allow myself to get hurt. You understand? Because he needs to understand himself. If me and him are together, I have to let go and find baggage.
You see it.
You understand?
You see it.
So what she needs to understand, no, that she needs to take whatever it is she have with me to him. Because the mere fact that me can't leave the two of them to start out in business, she needs to leave me alone.
Oh, so wait. So she still a call your phone now?
She can't call my phone and she don't have my number.
See.
And me can call her and molest her, but guess what?
You not do
that. Yeah, because waste of time. Me no need to war with her over no man and no one man there.
But how you feel now that as far as she's concerned, the 48-year-old woman and thing, she could all say, see, that him go foreign and see him come right back here. So, you know, very.
Him not even go for no period of time and I mean send money to for deal with them business and whatever. Him just the run her because she have her place.
Oh,
and him not step up and be a man and get some of himself, which is that me I try to make him know, say, him don't have to go around, him can just get some of himself and be a man. You understand? Because him keep going back and forth in our place, she feel like, say, she have it like that.
Him need to understand that at the end of the day, no man fi go live at any woman yard.
You understand?
It's either you and the woman get somewhere together or you get no man go live at any woman yard. It never work out.
Be a disrespect, you know?
Yeah.
Be a disrespect. And because of that, I have to left from with me because right now my lifestyle and freedom lifestyle is two different lifestyles.
You see it?
Two different lifestyles. But I know that if she listen to me, that love, she listen to the program. I just want she see me and allow me. I just do certain things I'm going to take it to a different level because she really push it, Raga.
I want to encourage you to just maintain that peace that you have.
Mr. Raga, she push it. She, not only she, her friend them push it. I throw garbage from my car and them shit there.
For not okay, well on.
Push it. She, not only she, her friend them push it. I throw garbage from my car. Take it to me, but guess what?
Them throw garbage from your car?
Cat, me have to call out police.
Then them big 48-year-old woman, she and her friend them come throw garbage from your car?
Throw garbage from my car, Raga.
Foolishness that, man. Foolishness that. Foolishness that.
Right. And at the end of the day, instead of the man leave, him still a come around me.
Cool, no? All right, baby, you take care of yourself and you stay safe, you know?
Raga,
I'm love how you deal with it. Nobody go to war thing and thing.
Bring it to me, member, man, Raga. I just to me no want a record. Let me not knock her out long time.
Zen.
I just to me no want a record. But here, your program sell off.
Cool, no? Yeah.
Sell off, Raga. Just keep it up.
All right, respect for the...
Me call you back.
Yeah, man. Every time. Apply, you stay safe, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Protection.
Cool.
Boy, 48-year-old woman a walk around and throw garbage pan car. For a woman who there with a 30-year-old man who the 48-year-old woman involved with. Interesting. Here we go, top of the morning to your phone call rings right now. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah. Yeah, man. What going on?
Not much. First time on your program.
Welcome to the family, darling.
I'm Jessica, a.k.a. Cooley.
Cooley? From where?
From down in the outside.
Woodside?
Raga.
Which
Mr.
parish?
Outside.
We know Woodside, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Which parish that? Which parish? You have Woodside in a different.
Clarendon.
Clarendon. So what going on now, Jessica? Wait, Cooley.
And but one thing, my band July no Raga, I'm not tell lie no.
Why them give it to the last week, boy?
Me I tell you, Raga, me honest man, me honest in a relationship no Raga.
Well on the Cooley. You never can a man yet, Cooley, talk it truth.
No man, me never can.
You never can a man yet, Cooley.
No.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
Do them there something. 20 Raga.
You're 20. You're good as?
Yeah man.
You're proper?
Yeah, man.
Man, draw for you.
I think me the outside in Raga.
Okay, we keep on get some disturbing feedback. Imagine, listen, I said,
I'm about the fighting of thing with the girl thing. Me not in that.
You know in that?
Me not go fight a girl for a man and next day. A man go shame in a crowd. None of that, man.
Okay. Where you are going out there? What if a woman a fight that woman over, man?
Yeah, because me have this friend named Nikki and she have fight all other friends here and then a friendly girl them where man a chat to.
Hold on.
Hold
on. She do what? What you say she do what?
She a fight off the girl them then in a long run she have a friend them.
She a fight off the girl them who involved with her man. And then she and them turn around and turn friend.
Yes.
So wait, and them still involved with the man?
Yes, man still a gearbone too.
With the same friend?
Man not at gearbone.
With the same friend them where she did fight off before?
Of course.
Oh, well, yeah.
And the man a tell her straight up say, yo, me did bone you with that girl there. Me not in that. In a relationship.
Hold on, he must say me did bone. He must tell her up front say me did bone with that girl.
He have no respect for her.
Hold on, we'll break. We'll come back here. Don't move here.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. Reggie, that thing that's still a juggle? All right, cool now. Yeah, man, back to a caller.
Yeah, man, Raga. Yeah, man.
Yeah, see? Yeah, man. So you tell about your friend now who fight off woman who there with her man and then friend them.
Keep and I tell her, say, love her and something and then things there. When me not tell her, say she no love her. In love her, you know. But if a man do respect her, man will not do certain things in front of your face. No, man, none of that.
So him can't tell her, say, I'm pine for that woman and say, me did bunny with a girl and so forth. That you say him do?
Yeah, man, our girl drop what for her, you know, and she go back to the man. And the man say, who a sister? And he call the girl and tell the girl, say, must call back in phone. And in a two long runs, the man, the girl still are there. And tell the girl, say, hey man, his girlfriend did just a kick off and rate her. He must feel no way about that and rate her. He don't know say him come first and sitting.
Oh, so when him in front her, him call and tell her, him raise up the girl.
Yeah, man, I
but
say,
then
man,
behind her back, him
just
call her back and then I be things.
Yes, I say, man, he girl break up back and thing. And when the man, the girl still attack, you know. Yeah, guys. But the girl love her, that's why she do certain things for him still.
So, but how much is it out there, you think, when women are fight? How much is it? Is it not far? No, me say, no, may I ask you, give you a sense, like, enough fight a go on or just little bit of it or what? Woman a fight, woman over man.
Can you have a sister do that up on me a pen?
What I
grandma is tone.
Sister.
Fight half girl.
Well, I forgot. I've got a look at sister scenario when I want to share with you. But when you say sister, what you mean?
The two of them are sister.
And the two sisters them a fight over a man.
Yes, and I call him man and rate.
Which part this?
Me a pen.
Upon me a pen. Two sisters fight over a same man.
Yeah. Grandma at night, I hold on for the breast. Here one boy drop the blouse a little further, make me see the big breast.
That a go on. Grandma at night it happen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody could assist still. But me not do them the thing that them they're fooling. If me know say my man go look my sister, me allow him. Next man the other road, I want him to them.
All right, then bless up here.
Yeah, man, Raga, me rate your program.
All right, every time. Yo, people, let me tell you about a quick situation. A real thing me I talk about you now. Man a look woman, Reggie hear that one. Man a look woman. Woman never, she said she like the man, right? So she like the man and whatever, but nothing never work out. You see? All right. Long after, man meet a next woman. A lyrics that woman there and thing and whatever, boom, boom, boom. The two of them work out. Them start do them thing, ray. When that woman there introduced that man there to her sister, it was the woman, the sister turned out to be the woman, the first woman whom did meet and attack to. The sister now, she start talk about as she first did meet the man and whatever. The sister who there with the man now, I said, but me don't even know about you and this man. But the first sister said, but now that you know, say me did meet him first. And me did like him, but we never get for, the thing never get for work out. Me want you left. You understand what I said? So remember, he meet one, she did like him and thing, but for whatever reason, it never reach a point there. Long after I go meet the next woman, and thing work out, two of them do them thing, them there. And when they meet up a two sister, the first sister I go say, true, she did really like the man. That sister you have to there with him now if he left the man. So that sister said, no, but you never there with him. She said she there with him. No. He never reached that point there. She said, if me didn't know, if you tell me now, say you and him did there, I'm going to find out. The second sister said, should have left him. But she said, you never there with him. You not just attack. But the first sister said, no. For you know, me and the man used to talk, and we did almost there. You feel left the man who you're there right now. Drama, the two of them end up a fight. Two sisters, Two sisters, true thing. Real thing me I talk about. Two sisters. The first one that cuss her said she ain't a good sister. Because she explained to her, and from she explained to her, however difficult it must be, she must let go. The second sister said, you are a good sister, because you're never there with the man. And I like say she go pick him up and know say he there. She don't even know say she did not talk to him. And thing. Straight to her. Boy, may I tell her the complications of life. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello?
Uh-huh.
Good morning, Raga.
Yeah.
First time caller.
Cool. Welcome to the family.
I drop me a Mechanisha, big deal.
Okay. Well, you're not a regular caller, because you know, so today is not a day for regular callers anyway. But you're not regular anyway, so you're not one of our straight up regular people. So what go down?
Nothing, Raga.
All right, that's a call for you.
Yeah, man, furthermore, until thanks to the ticket, them the show did sell off.
Sin. Wait, which one I show you go?
The one up on Murder Grove, man, I'm win Friday after Nikki to try I think to win the next 2 tickets.
All right. I think so. You did that. So wait, you see me then now?
Yes, I saw you performing.
So why you never give me a yell?
You're not going out the door after I'm going to catch flu and my phone line dead from Monday. I don't want to call you.
Niche. Yeah? But you're good though.
Yeah, man.
What go down? You behave yourself?
So far.
Okay.
So all the topic I going to know today.
They in a year.
Eh?
You know hear the topic?
Yeah, boy, I repeat back again the Raga. Because mother they confuse me.
Is it the case that some women deserve a beating when them take is it the case that some women deserve a beating when them take another woman, man?
Not really.
Not really.
Okay. But some of them, let me say them bright up with them.
Them bright. Like, what them do?
I mean, no, see, I'm not attack, you know.
Yeah.
And cheer you.
Yeah.
All kind of sitting. And go on the most you and talk the most thing.
Drop what and boss liberty.
Man, if you not answer, you know, you're the joke and stuck for the day, you know.
So you say, if you don't answer, you are the joke and you are ridiculed.
Yeah,
you're idiot.
Yeah, man, for the whole day.
Them clown you out.
Man.
So you say, in order not to be clown out, you have to answer and defend it.
Sometimes I just give them a firm and proper beating for the day.
A firm and proper beating. So in them cases, when a woman take a next woman and I put it, she forget a beating, you say. Sometimes she forget a beating.
Yeah, man, but some of them you have to pay them in the Raga.
Okay.
Because the in thing now, what them are doing, you know, I breed for the man and then go and like say them are the wife.
Oh. But you know, hear Alexa say, pick Nina, whole man again. We not sing further on that one, I'll leave that one then.
I see her sing Raga.
But Nisha, glad for your voice and things, see?
Yes, Raga.
Don't worry, no watch nothing because you're good up. Because that's the talk, see?
Yes, Raga.
Bless up here.
Take care of yourself.
All right, I can read that email. Top of the morning to you, Raga. I'm a regular listener to your program and emailer to bolt up and lock up. I always want to call, but not lucky enough. Me can't get through on the phone, but email I for read. I just want to send a shout out to my church sisters, family and friends of the Port Maria Gospel Chapel in St. Mary, Port Maria, who will be celebrating their birthday in the month of December. Raga, a K from St. Mary, Port Maria. Big up my baby Kimani. You are happen. Next email, Raga. I heard of a case where this lady husband had mostly male numbers in his phone and one female number. So she went and called the female number and started to give it to her. The girl just tell the wife, say, it's not me you must worry about. It's John. My God. You know hear that one already? Everybody be a man number in her phone except one woman number. And the wife go call the one woman number. And the woman say, and me if I worry about a John. I could go and read the email because this is one of pepper. So, it's like he used her name as a cover-up, and she eventually found out that he was gay. Raga, sometimes it's not really because of the man why the wife fight the matey, but because the matey disrespect her. So it's not all the time, it's because of the man. I am not saying men must cheat, because when you love someone, you're not supposed to hurt that person. But it's better to know that your matey is Eve and not Steve. I know most women would walk out of a relationship if they found out that their mate is Steve. But I wonder if there is any woman out there who would confront a male matey like how they would confront a female. Get well soon. I finally get to hear what Ruth sounds like. Hope she will feel much better soon. Is the email short enough? Laugh out loud. Next one. Hello, Raga. In my opinion, I don't believe that a woman should waste energy on another man if she take her man. I would spend his money more on myself, making sure I look even prettier, buy enough sexy lingerie, buy him bikini briefs, give him every style man have to offer, and if him still stray, it's because him damn greedy. I would not go to look for no woman. That is too much work. I have to spend that energy making my man the center of my world. Now, if him take up with a streggy and she start get bright, she gonna get bust up for real. Take anybody out there, but leave it out there. What I am saying, take, but make sure you cover it and don't make any baby out there. Serious problem if it start to intrude in my home. Really, Raga. All me I say, stray good, and me not have no problem. That is from Luscious. And boy, back to the first email, the one where we just read here or whatever. That's why some woman I say, you know. Gone are the days when some of them affair worry about man alone. I worry about woman alone, I take with them man. Them say man out there, I take with them man. My God. Well, I break with Suka, what a mix up.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all massive and crew. Don't know the thing set up when we come with it, real and proper. Here we go. Phone line again, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
You think sell
Cool, no?
Yeah, man. Yeah, Winter Pen crew lock.
Winter Pen crew lock over the big up Winter Pen massive.
Yeah.
Which part Winter Pen there?
After Brunswick.
After Brunswick. Spanish though.
Yeah.
Enough respect.
Yeah. Take a girl, man, cause you not respond.
What you say? I saw you say.
Yeah.
You say you take a girl, man, cause you not respond.
Yeah.
So wait. Is there something exciting when you take a girl, man?
Yeah.
What exciting about it?
Cause it burn her.
It burn her.
Yeah. Earth her can you get more than her sometime.
So you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Then suppose. So wait, when you meet a man now and you like him and him say him have a woman, you not watching the face in a response?
No.
If you like him, you just have
the man want me, I will forgive him. Yeah, I just send on.
All right, then. Suppose the man want you and you like him and him a deal with you properly, I give you things and so forth and things are going. But you know say him have a woman already and she come to you and say, yeah, hear me now? I mean there with him long time and whatever more, you left him. What you gonna do?
Me?
Yeah.
As long as we can satisfy, me not left him.
You not left him?
No.
Suppose she tell us, I have 3 baby for him. I know him from high school and the tour I got too hard. I know say the thing sweet and in my mind and I get thing, but do me I beg you, left him, leave my man alone. What you gonna do?
You see, if she did up them would have stray.
So you not business with a picnic and not there? You not watch nothing?
No.
You just a take a girl man straight?
Yeah, and cut and go through.
And if she rush you and want to defend it, what gonna happen?
I defend myself, because I'm not afraid of no girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you do that right now, or you ever do that before?
No, I'm not do it, but if we come to interest, I never do it. We just do it.
Have you ever done it before?
No.
You never do it before?
No.
You sure?
Sure.
But if it come up, you're going to do it?
Yeah.
So, a man, where you involved in it right now, all that setup?
All that setup?
Yeah.
I don't have a problem with go straight now still, but you don't know.
So, a one man you have right now?
Yeah.
Talk it truth, a one man you have?
Yeah.
You not none on the side?
No, I'm not.
You not go on with a little thing on the side?
No, I'm not.
You not give somebody a little pinch on the side?
Raga, nothing on the side.
Okay. So, that man are your regular man?
Yeah.
Are you up there, man?
Yeah.
Are you walk on street, man?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you know some woman have man, but I don't walk on street, man.
I know that.
All right, big up Winter Pen here.
Yeah, man.
All right, everything lock.
Yeah.
Email, big up Raga. I just want to say enough respect to you and your crew. I'm a regular listener and just want to say big up all the time. I want you heal up my family in a St. Mary. Well, he meant to say heal up my family in a St. Mary. And my sister and baby and Mad Dog 28 and Carlisle. Greetings are forward from Bird. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
First time on your program.
Welcome to the family.
But you stress out my card and I'm done. I'm have to use my house and I hope you know you help me pay the bill.
All right, no problem. We have up for money.
Sometimes you have to fight over a man.
Sometimes you have to fight over a man.
Sometimes you have to fight over a man.
Why? When are the times when you have to fight over a man? Tell me.
Raga, me have a man when me I go school with from a little, and me and the man are going. And him have a next guy that's coming at the picture and stop hype and stop going.
Oh, she hype. What she going with?
Raga, when she say me she stop throw a word and go on.
I say what?
Me and my sister, them have to put it on pan her.
Where? When I put it on pan her?
Put it on pan her, Raga. Where's me that breed? And breed me and left me gone to the next girl. So Raga, when I see him, I have to throw him. What's up, you know, so you have to listen to the vibe.
Yeah, man, talk out the things here.
Raga, I have to put it on pan her. Good up, girl, I have to put on the lick pan her.
So how wanna do it now? How many of your sisters? Your two other sister?
Yes.
I want to gang her. I want to gang her.
Yeah, some ratty lick and the man come in and want to put on too. And we have to put it on pan him, Raga, make him know say it can't work.
Well on. When him come in, him want beat Uno?
Want fight my sister, not really me, no.
Okay.
My sister, because you may be pregnant.
Because you're
pregnant. Me.
Him no want to fight you, but him want to fight you. And then what happen?
The excitement, you know what?
Yeah.
Me pregnant and him still a come around there with the girl. So that's flat my show. Because him want to feel big, you know, because you're my man.
You see it?
All right. And you know, but you know, say what goes around comes around.
Yeah.
Him breed the girl and left the girl. And she if you run back him engaged her from 92, from 2002 on, no, them can't married.
Yeah, a 5-year engagement.
Yes, no, and she have a pitney female, but I'm tell you the truth, a good up father.
A good up father, what you mean? In mind him you, okay.
Good up boy when he come on to pitney.
Irresponsible them way there.
But him too wild, Raga.
But him wild.
At December I'm born, you know. Yesterday birthday.
Which yesterday birthday? So him a Sagittarius. Him a Sagittarius like Portia and Bruce.
Yes, Raga, but you know nice. Why nice? But here we come from far, you know, 13 years.
13 years.
So I have to come out, Raga, because if I know me, I'm the girl. If I know the girl, I'm me. So I come like him tell the two for Bappy show.
So your sister really beat the girl for true?
Yes.
Like just thump beating and thing. You know, I don't know, back her up and beat her.
We no back her up. She come in with the boy, with them chicken and juice. And me slump on my yard with my big belly. So that's younger. I was put it on pan. Here, I call the police. Call the police. Raga, we give it to her.
What are they? What is it? Call the police. She never fight back.
She a fight, Raga, but she can't beat me one with my belly, much as my two sister with me.
Oh, then no, just go gang the girls, so man.
Yes, we put it on for the boy too, you know.
But well,
really hurt.
But wait, on the gang she what you say? She did the hype?
Raga, she that hype. You're the girl that throw away from me picking now one man again. I do it.
Wait, I them think that she has in front of you, so picking now.
But the not really say nothing for hurt me, you know. But it's a start.
Hold on. What she said? She said, because she know your breed, she said, picking now one man again. Yes. I do something I do it, and she talk up the things, don't it?
Him I want some few, you know, Raga. Him not really say nothing. But he not say nothing to she. So she swear that she have everything. Then him go frightened her. So I'm a baby.
Yeah.
And him a come round back to me. And me didn't love him because my first love, Raga. So I go back into him.
Yeah.
And me and the boy.
What you mean, go back in? The two are on the day again?
Yeah, we there back again after my baby born time. First pitney.
Yeah.
And Raga, we there back and go to Cayman and come back.
Yeah.
And when I come back, him send me go Cayman in a Raga.
Him send me go Cayman?
Yes. And when I come back, and me and him are going same way.
Yeah.
Then she have fear pitney now. I couldn't deal with it.
Yeah.
Because she run competition.
Okay.
I'm tell him something in night, and him try to do everything for please me, Raga. But the girl not left.
You see it?
So I realize I'm too nice for that because we have come from too far for him can't satisfy with me one. Raga, sometimes when uno man a search out there, you know, a simple woman that right in front of uno.
You see it?
A simple woman.
A simple good woman.
I'm good looking.
A good woman.
I'm not ugly, but tan good.
What you
I'm a spice.
What you say a while ago? You're not ugly, you're tan good. Wait,
tan good, Raga.
You still good. Oh, you know you still good. You're in a dance hall and say something.
I'm not a dance type, Raga.
No, but me I say, you know you look good.
Raga, I'm looking in the mirror after ask, who is it?
Why you say, when you looking at the mirror, you have to say, who is this?
Raga,
God, this woman, you look good.
The man end up let's see with fear, pitney. And you know who the man there with no one girl in workplace where have pitney. So I have 2 hours with my man, there with no now and him there with somebody. So when you show up, when you dig one for one, dig two.
Yes,
so you man back we and drop back in it.
I true.
Rather him that give me bun and I could deal with it and I left him.
Yes, it.
But him a give she in her ear, her mouth, her nose, her teeth. She get it everywhere. She still not left.
All about no. She should have forgot the burn unit, though.
Yeah, she still not left. She not give up and I look good girl. So I don't know why she don't quit.
Okay, she proper too.
Yeah, she not stay bad. Me not gonna tell no lie.
But you look better than her, though.
Bad.
Boy!
bad. I'm a 5-year-old daughter. She nice.
Yeah, you see it.
So sometimes you have to put the woman in them place.
You say some woman just bright when they take a woman, man.
Some woman not quit when they take your man. It's either you left the man or you share the man.
Okay. So sometimes you...
woman stay, Raga.
So you just feel that some woman, that times where you have to defend it and take it to a woman.
Raga. Take people, man. It's a gift from God. Just like how some people born a thief. Yes.
Some are just man taker.
Yes.
Okay.
They don't want nobody for them to call them no want responsibility.
You know what? Go on.
But Raga, honestly, from me and the man left.
Yeah.
I get over him now, because he's a nice man. For him, I take care of my picnic, everything nice.
Yeah.
And that's how I do to the max.
Yeah.
But baby fly out when she want to fly out and come in when she want to come in. And that's the greatest.
And in pay up all them things.
For myself, but we have a long time thing we remember about every now and then.
Okay, so nothing not really go on between you. No not even look one piece.
I don't want it one, Raga. Too much memories.
Okay.
I love the boy, but I don't trust him. So let me go about this.
Okay. Any hope for you to reconcile in our future? So?
No, I don't know, Raga, because you know, for two boys now, you know. I don't say what happened.
Right.
But for now, I don't have him in my mind.
Right.
Because I tell you, a good boy.
You see it?
Him just too wild.
Yeah, so we are there with you now.
People man me take no Raga.
Hold on, me not understand you. Hold on, you confuse me, you know. You just say you have to take it to this woman and beat her and whatever because she hype because she didn't take your baby father and all them something there. And now you tell me say a people man you take you now.
Me nah boss, I don't even know the man woman when me I take. Him just come give me when me forget and me give him when me forget and we go on. I saw it a move now.
Yeah,
me not hype on the man woman. Of course me for the hype on the man woman. Me don't know where them come from. Me don't know where them been through.
You see it? But you know say him have a woman. Why you say wife him have a woman?
A woman him have woman.
Woman.
So right now.
Well, she a pitney for him?
Yes, two.
So him have a woman who have two pitney for him. But you are work with him too, right?
Raga, me just take what me get and give him more.
You see it? You just take what you get and give him more.
Yeah, but me make him know say, and in a relationship thing, you know. And when me want him forget it, no when him want it.
Okay, so you are the boss tonight.
Me are the boss. Right
you
now.
make decision.
Yes,
so when look a plumbing for take care and can come over and deal with him thing, and he must make him contribution.
I'm an old man friend where every now and then, job. When you go about with business, I'm not really right, you know, I'm not really ready for the light, but I'm for going because the money there.
I'm not really ready for the light, but not really outer street man.
No.
And thing, you have to kind of hide him in the dark more time.
Raga. And him not ready. Yes, some man a brag and have them 40, 50 woman. They can't do nothing in a Raga.
So you look at old man friend and can't really perform?
No, but him have the money.
So you just work with him.
Perform better when I intermission time, try eating them do.
Well, okay, all right.
So, Raga, so sometimes some women know themselves when they take people, man.
Wait, say intermission and perform good,
yes.
No? Okay, break time, no?
Yes. So, Raga,
I want to recess and perform good, eh?
Lord Jesus, you mentioned lunchtime.
No, okay, I want you to say that. Why did I say a while ago?
Raga, me I tell you, no, woman not perfect.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you have a little man and I'm not really going with nothing.
Yeah.
And the next man out to do what we do is something for you. But you see, respect for you use a condom, you don't have nothing for free.
You see it.
And you make the man know, say, when him say somebody, don't disrespect you and you don't disrespect. I respect do everything in a Raga.
See it?
Titus say, lie no kill nobody.
Yeah.
True.
Lie no kill nobody. So when you say lie, have to tell?
Yeah, lie no kill nobody.
All right then, baby.
So,
yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, so which area you call from, Princess? Portmore. Now give me a radio name for you. No? Angela from which part of Portmore?
Angela, I'm not hide my name because I know everybody are listening.
Angela from where? Which part of Portmore?
Portsmouth.
Angela from Portsmouth.
Good as Angela.
Good as Angela, because you're ready. You're up there. You're pop where you're up where you occur. Them for no.
Raga. It's one thing. I'm easy yesterday.
You are what?
Yesterday.
What do you mean you're yesterday?
Me Raga, me a nice girl, you know.
Cool, no?
Sometimes man say them tired of chicken, but I can't know for cook.
Sometimes man say them what?
Tired of chicken, them want taste beef and pork, but I truly don't know how to cook.
Ooh!
Yes.
So when you hear a man I say him tired of chicken, him want something extra to the woman them that know how to cook chicken.
And the man
don't
know how to cook chicken.
And
the woman have the chicken.
The woman have the chicken. And him for know how to cook the chicken.
You can roast it, fry it, grill it, bake it, curry it, brown stew it,
Bup,
grill it.
bup, bup, bup,
You name it and the chicken is there.
bup.
And some man raga, them want to feel big one. Them friends, so them have more than one woman.
You see it?
And when them go out there and find some riff-raff,
Yeah.
and them good woman left them too shame to come back.
Oh,
so
see
them
it?
hang on out there like Snoopy.
You used to hang on like Snoopy.
Yeah, raga,
Hang on, Snoopy, hang on.
Then raga, yeah, man, you don't know too.
Who, me?
Enough man left good woman for riff-raff woman.
That a true.
And to them shame, them don't want to come back.
A true, that a true.
Them
That a true.
brother people are going to say, how them man friend are going to say.
You see it? So I said, go, you have to run, come back like you're idiot. No.
Well, raga, sometimes it's good for them to come back and another way better for you.
You see it?
Now, if him never left me, I would meet this nice man that I have.
Okay. Well, what the man will just give him for game and you give him for game?
So
That one?
come out of my business,
Okay,
man.
no, man, that's no school, no, Angela. Don't, hey, what? You're my peeps right now, in a straight defense. You know, them
Every day I can't get through to you. I'm finally get through to
cool,
you.
baby. Now watch nothing.
Then
Yeah.
I hear nothing from it till next week when the topic change.
When the topic change. Well, under, who are your number? Because we love to keep some on the number, you know.
All right.
Auntie.
Wait, my house number, my cell number.
No, man, Reggie, I take the number, man.
right.
Reggie, stay up on the line there. All right, there. All right, there. Reggie, I take the number. Let me read that email. Right, Raga, I can understand that mother's plight with her teenage daughter, but as a mother, she could start by being a friend to that daughter instead of being hostile towards her action. I believe that this is the dilemma that most mothers face when they start facing the realization that their baby child is dating. Hence, the difficulty will occur in communicating, and that's usually the time when the child will retaliate even more. I really enjoy listening to your program. My friends in the office know that when it's 9:30, that's the time when all communication stops. Love you. Keep up the good work. Blessings and respect. I won't say what you, well, your name Andrea. I won't say where you work and all that. Why will I break? We'll soon come back.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
I want to big up Ukubit, our family member, Ukubit son. I have a birthday, 2 years old today. Happy birthday to Ukubit's son. You know, happy birthday. Boy, we're not going to get you the 5 call them, but I can see what we can, because I don't know, say at 12 o'clock we have a leg, but we're there at 9 o'clock, same way tomorrow. But right away, I could go and rinse so we can rinse. We can see if we can get at least 3 calling, Reggie. 3 calling. 2 minutes each. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. All right, that one, another. Rinse the next one. Boom. Whoa, DK get new shirt, barrel come. Here we go, new boot, DK barrel come. Here we go, top of the morning to you, hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Raga, you hearing me?
Yeah, ma'am, I hear you loud and clear.
Okay, I just want to answer to your question that you're asking. Well, for me, really, I wouldn't fight over the man that I have because I'm boring.
The man where you have boring, saying
yes,
that.
I'm not really worth fighting
Oh,
over.
I'm boring.
I'm just not there. I'm not there for real. I'm not spend time with me.
Uh-huh.
I'm not check me out.
Uh-huh.
When I'm really do come in at night time, I'm not have no time for my body. I'm just want to sleep. I'm spend a lot of time with friends.
Uh-huh.
I'm just not ready for fight over.
Okay, so what you think this going to lead to now?
I forgot left him.
You going to left him? So why you don't left him yet?
I wait on the right time. That's why I really call it. You know, I have no good up friend who want a nice woman.
Nice woman. How old are you?
I'm 26.
You're 26. How you look?
I look good.
What you bring to the table now?
What I bring to the table?
That would make a man be interested in you. What
Everything.
Like what? No, you can't say everything. If you go to a job and you say I can't do anything, them do that all the while. No, employers don't want to hear that. What you bring to the table?
Okay, I'm honest.
Honest.
Hardworking.
Nice.
I'm loving. I'm beautiful.
Beautiful.
Caring, sharing.
Nice.
Everything.
All right.
The dead, I'm up there.
All right. Okay. What is your radio name?
My radio name Browning.
Browning.
Everybody call me Browning.
Everybody call her Browning.
Yeah.
All right then. And you say you're 26.
Yeah.
I have some friends. Them listen to the show every day. I think I can guarantee you them going to want to meet you.
So why are you laughing like that?
No, because they're a troublemaker, you know. They're a troublemaker. You know my personality, so you must know for their personality.
I'm really honestly serious. The man that I have is not worth even to lift a finger over.
But you live with him?
Yeah, I live with him.
But you're not afraid in my ear, you know.
No, I'm not. Yeah, who business him want here in boring. Every day I tell me spend too much time out the road. You know what I'm to some of them young boy up?
Yeah.
Them keep too much man company and them spend too much time out the road.
Okay.
Yeah, the song where them did say your woman around your head, some of them listen to that too much. So and around you around them head, you know. Some of them just not have no time for you, and when you talk up now, them I say around you want
around your head. How old him is? Yeah, man. How old him is?
I'm about 29.
29. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And things. So you're sure all of the fault upon him, nothing there with you where you could have
Now
done?
something I have fault, you know, but guess what now? It's because I'm weird, it lead up now. Cause if your man in your house and him not treat you good, you're miserable.
Yeah. Yeah,
Every
me
thing
and
I cannot want to see him.
All right, here I know.
Yeah.
You have to go shout no back here. And
All
thing,
right.
I'm going to squeeze in another call here.
All right. So what you do for me? That's why I'm calling, you know.
What me I do for you? That's why you call me? All right, we're ready to take your number, and if anybody call, we'll make the link here.
All right.
All right, then ready to take our number. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hi, brother.
Hi, darling. We only have 2 minutes.
What's up, first time caller?
Welcome to the family. We only have a minute to go, you know.
Okay, yeah, I realized that, but I'm trying to get it from mine and I couldn't get you.
I see it now, baby. Lucky now. Talk up the things.
Yeah, well, I'm just trying to say that I'm fighting over man. It definitely don't worth it.
That no make it.
It not make it no time at all.
You see
Because
it.
fight over the man and little more him gone left you.
You see it.
And then again, a girl go want come acid burn you and stab you up and all of them things. Like, I pay them something they are going nowadays, you know.
Yeah, that are going out there.
Yeah, because that happened down on my way.
What happened? Tell me quick.
Yeah, and a baby burn and them something there.
No, what happened? A woman a fight over man?
A fight over man. Yeah.
And what
You
happened?
want to see the money them a fight over to them. They can't even buy not even a bag juice. Because I see me sit down a sidewalk and them all a big bag juice.
Him sit on the man who them a fight over sit on the sidewalk a big bag juice.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And what who throw acid one who?
And I throw acid them one another the man see that good. And them and for them skin burn up and look like
Well, the two of them acid them one another.
Yeah.
And one of them did have picnic with them or something.
Yeah.
And the acid go up on the picnic too.
Yeah, for real.
What kind of madness you tell me, man? I'm foolish this year going and them are in danger the picnic.
Yeah, that in thing nowadays.
I don't know, but I know say there, you know, me in the street, man. I mean the thing gone abroad out there, be a fight over man going out there. And anyway, baby, we have to let go here.
Yeah, man, cool, no say nothing.
Yeah, man, not Mara.
Cool, it's a munch from Maxfield.
Munch from Maxfield, no send out no munch.
Right.
All right, baby,
cool,
bless up.
More, yeah.
All right, I don't know the thing set up, but I don't know say tomorrow I rinse it back again, 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Take care of yourself, people. Protection.